Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. This one comment and I'm leaving. KJ, get out of the chat. Get out of the chat. People in the if you don't see that name that come up, Jerry Loss over YouTube, you just give me a heads up here. But this one comment and I'm leaving. Just look at boy, you see. Aye, boy. One Java coming. Hey, ANC sisters. I saw them turn, greet them combo first. And say good morning, say good evening, everybody first. Right. Yo, I want me
Hi.
What?
Are you tired of going high when they go low?
Some woman of mine go high when them go low. You can't stay there. See that? You see people, you see what Java do over there? Java come in. Hi, ANC sisters over YouTube. Before she said, good evening, everybody. Say, Munchi do the same damn thing. Hello, my sisters. Them for go, man. I still do it tonight, Well, I'm leaning back in my new chair. Yes. Wiggle. Wiggle. And you can't wiggle up in your new chair, though. And turn it, so. Yeah, Big Beer. Where I go down? Big Beer, a long time when I hold a look meds, All right, what you right, Pete? Oh, hold on. I'm just run.
Take a tambourine and praise the Lord. I'm the Mixup and Blenda.
Caroline, me don't want you call down the cross. Pass the tambourine.
It's all about the
Let's big up
family.
yourself.
I'm beer something. I'm beer sitting a
Worship, I want to go down.
to the flipping world.
Everybody, let's get the tambourine and praise the Almighty Father. All God-fearing people, let's go.
Get right.
Yeah. Hey, up there. Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But the leaf will be done bad mind. It can't stop in a revival time. Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord. Everybody!
I'm Mixup and Blenda time. I'm Mixup and Blenda time.
What's up, people? What's up? It's Monday, the 17th day of August in the year 2026. And I want when this galaxy are there again. Oh boy. All right, hold on. Let me see. Remember the name. Names of galaxies. We're in the Milky Way. What the other one? Andromeda. Yep, that's the one I want to. Andromeda. All right. How long would it take to travel across the Milky Way in light, no, at the speed of light? Oh yeah, it should come up as It would take about 100,000. No, it's more than that. 100,000 to 200,000 years to travel across the Milky Way at the speed of light. Because the galaxy is roughly about 100,000 to 200,000. No, it's more exact than that. I think this is a little dated, you know. I think it's more 200,000 light years in diameter, depending on how the outer edges are. A beam of light. Travels at 186,282 miles per second. So just to travel across our galaxy, if we're traveling really, really fast, the speed of light, and the speed of light is how fast? 186,000 miles. 186,282. Let's say 186,000 miles per second. Hold on. Speed of light. Distance at speed of light. And can't bother go check that. I just want to tell me. In 1 hour, light travels at a distance of approximately. Oh. Damn. In 1 hour, if you're traveling at the speed of light in 1 hour, you would travel 670 million miles. 670 million miles in 1 hour at the speed of light. So that's really fast, right? All right, so let's check now how many days it takes to travel across the Milky Way. Oh, here we go, the Milky Way. This is nerd time. How many days? All right. How long it takes to travel across the Milky Way depends entirely on your speed rate. How long does it take to travel across the Milky Way at the speed of light? That's what we want to know. Okay? All right. So we'll work with the hour. We'll not work with the second. So this traveling at more than 670 million miles per hour. If we're traveling at 670 million miles per hour, it would take us more than 100,000 years to just travel across our galaxy. So you see the galaxy big, though, right? So if you're just traveling at the speed of light, which is 670 million miles per hour, right? So if you're traveling at more than 670 million miles per hour, which is unfathomable in terms of, we can't even begin to just think of how fast that you're going. But you're going super fast, right? Say we don't even have technology to enable us to travel that fast. But were we able to travel that fast, it would take us 100,000 years. All right, so many of you know what it is to travel at like, say, 55, 60 miles per hour. Let's check that. At 60 miles per hour, how long would it take to travel across Milky Way? So people, a million, right? Right? A billion is 1,000 million, right? A trillion is 1,000 billion. Therefore, a trillion is 1,000 million. Y'all know what it's like to drive at 60 miles per hour, right? If you were traveling at 60 miles per hour and you want to travel across just our galaxy, it would take you about 2 trillion years to do so. Right? 2 trillion years. This is ridiculous. You know what kind of space that is? You know what kind of space that? And that's just our galaxy. That's just the Milky Way. Now, consider that they've already been able to determine that there are millions upon. All right, last thing I'm going to do. Nerd time. Thus far, how many galaxies are there? Right? So get this. If we're traveling at 60 miles per hour, just in our galaxy, it would take us around 2 trillion years to just to travel across our galaxy, okay? And thus far, the reason, the scientific estimate that astronomers, smart people who deal with these things, have been able, through various technologies, be able to figure out is that there are at least 2 trillion galaxies out there. 2 trillion galaxies. A trillion, right? 2,000 billion galaxies. 2,000 galaxies, of which we're one. Right? And And just to travel across ours at 60 miles per hour, it would take us about 2 trillion years. I remember some of those are bigger than us. So you'd have to kind of, I guess, multiply 2 trillion times 2 trillions to say how long it would take us to travel across all those galaxies and whatever, right? I love this type of stuff because sometimes when we're going, our problems, sometimes when we're experiencing problems and you feel like so overwhelmed or you feel like, damn, you can't see your way out and, you know that thing then you just keep on a trudge on and thing like that. And stuff like this kind of humbled me and just like helped me to put things into perspective. Like, it's an understatement to say that humans, right? We are just like a minuscule amount of time in the universe. Like we. For those of you who are familiar with the measurement of nano is just like, you can't even see a nano stretch, like you have to have a powerful telescope to see the measurement of a nano stretch, a nano distance and whatever. And we're not even that in the universe, We're just here and then even within that now, we have an average lifespan of 70, 80 years and thing. People who live longer go up in them 90s and so forth. But on average, human beings, the lifespan is usually around 70 something. Some people go in at them 80s and thing. And when you understand stuff like this, it's like, it's not that serious, It's like you stress where you go through, deal with what you have to deal with, yeah, but just recall, it's not that serious. I know that the galaxy that's nearest to us is Andromeda. How far in days is Andromeda from Earth? Andromeda galaxy is about 2.5 million light years away from Earth. In light travel time, this equals to about 913 million days or 2.5 million years. Right? So if you're traveling at the speed of light, just to go to our neighboring galaxy, it would take you 2.5 million years. That's not exactly going down the road to get a can of soda, okay? That's a long time, right? And it gets deeper when you look at the scholarship of Albert Einstein. And when Einstein says when you're talking about time-space travel, you see how the numbers low, 200 and something. Nobody know what you about them something, Make a mix-up bus over here, the number them fly up. But when you're talking about time-space travel, how do I say this now? The faster you travel, the more you compress time. Right? So when Einstein said time travel is possible, some people misunderstand it. But like time and space coexist, right? So if you walk from point A to point B, you're walking through space and it's taking a certain amount of time for you to walk through space. So many of you remember your algebra problems in school, if the train travels such and such in such and such time, how far will it travel in? You remember them look at something then. And what Einstein was able to pretty much prove theoretically, not practically, because we don't have the means to travel that fast, is that when you travel really fast, you end up compressing time, across space in a way where, let's say you were able to come up with something that would have you to travel at double light speed and thing. And you travel all the way across the galaxy to different planets, or you go all the way to Andromeda, right? And you travel from millions of miles or whatever, but you manage to do it at a shorter time. By the time you come back, Earth will have advanced millions of years, and it would be a very different place when you come back. These things kind of hard to wrap your head around, but that's a simple way to explain it, right? Which means that humanity could have been extinct. Like you come back and there's nobody here. Certainly, like your grandma is not there, your ex is not there, your boyfriend is there, right? Weird, no? Oh, what is the relative time rate in Andromeda? Lasting. The Andromeda galaxy is estimated to be 2.57 million light years away and 260,000 light years in diameter. That's just another way of saying, diameter, the circle, and diameter to travel across, it's 260 light years. The size estimation of the Andromeda supermassive black hole is 140 million times larger than our sun. With our own Milky Way galaxy, black hole is is time passing at 2.857% relative at a relative rate as to the passage of time on Earth in Milky Way galaxy. That would be equivalent to 10.4 Earth days passing in Andromeda for every year experience on Earth. A form of time dilation. That's the type of thing I was just trying to. How do you explain this? All right. When you look at the stars and you look up there and you see a light, right? And you see a light. And you're like, the stars come on, you see the light. A lot of those stars, remember now, what we see of the stars is light. That's why we know they're up there. It's light. But a lot of those stars do not exist anymore because stars burn out. But because they're traveling millions, some of them are traveling millions of years or hundreds of thousands of years. That's the time they take from their point of origin to reach us. So when we see the star, when we see the light from the star, or stars, depending on where they're located, those stars are already, them burn out already, you know. Either hundreds of thousands of years ago or millions of years ago. But the light from them just a reach we. You understand? Is that a simple enough explanation? Because light is fast. But again, you have to think of time, speed, fast, and space. So light is fast, but it's traveling over a tremendous amount of space, millions of miles and trillions of miles, and even though it's going so fast, it take a while to reach over here. So it would take hundreds of thousands of years to reach over here, or 1 billion years to reach you. So by the time it reach you over here, so the source where it come from, burn out long time, but we just see it. So imagine now if you are travel from here, so go somewhere now, and you reach over there, so now, but you manage to travel fast, you know, but you reach over where you there, over, you know, I don't know, 100,000 light years away, relative to the time I burn on Earth or over here, so and thing. So Earth will have burned out just like how the star burn out by the time you reach over there, you know? No, the sun going burn out. Well, we don't have to worry about that. But the sun going burn out. When will the sun burn out? Okay. When will the sun burn out? Okay. For another 5 billion years. The sun is about 4.6 billion years now, and in another 5 billion years it will burn out. And if humans still exist on Earth in billions of years to come, if we won't look the same way, you know, based on evolution and genetic mutation, because our bodies would have adapted to different conditions that will emerge. But again, you know, our little lifespan is just it's just a speck, really. Did you know that our oceans, right, when Earth was forming, and creationist people don't start on me right now, but when Earth was forming, the way we got our oceans is that rain fell on Earth, like big storm fell on Earth for millions of years, for millions and millions of years. How long did rain fall on Earth to create our oceans? Scientific models estimate that continuous rain fell for approximately 1 million years to fill Earth's first basins and create our oceans. This massive planetary rainfall began about 3.8 to 4.4 billion years ago as the Earth's surface cooled below the boiling point of water, 100 degrees centigrade, allowing water vapor from volcanic outgassing and early impacts to finally condense and pour down continuously. 1 million years of rain, right? And that is just like, it was a different rain. It's ocean forming rain. Yeah. And look, a Florida shower, a Jamaican shower, right? So imagine there was a time when rain fell here for 1 million years straight. There's no way humanity could survive that. And then you know there's been meteors that crash into Earth and wipe out, species, the dinosaurs, etc., and all this stuff and whatever. But so in our lifetime as human beings, it sounds like, you talk about, 1,000 years ago and this and that years ago, but it's really just a little speck. It's really a little speck in terms of the earth existing for billions of years and all this stuff are happening in the cosmos and whatever. It's just a little speck. People, we are but a little speck in our entire existence in the universe. It's like literally a little speck. How fortunate we are to have this consciousness and awareness of this little speck. And let's enjoy it and be thankful for it. In this massive expanse that is called the universe, with all its complexities and all this stuff that we could be aware of in terms of time, space, travel, and all this thing and whatever. That when you learn these things, how humbling it can be that we are just like insignificant insects, in the grand scheme of things. Let's be thankful for it. We have an awareness right now where we can be like, hey, this cake tastes good and the water tastes good, and today I took a walk in the park, or whatever it is, or you see your kids laugh, or let's be thankful for it. Let's be thankful for it. Right? And people, you could Google these things and check them out, and they have all these wonderful sites out there that tell you all kinds of amazing things about space. And wait. Where is it? Oh Lord. In the meantime, I want to say congratulations to Shen Shen. Shen, for those of you know TamFam Shen, she got married over the weekend, and I was fortunate enough to be at her wedding, and I'm so happy for her and her husband Eric as they embark on a new chapter in their respective lives, one that they will share together. And I was a little bit of a butu at the wedding because there were some things there that for me, it was like the first time I'm seeing it, even though somebody said, no. Remember this wedding you go? They had a champagne wall. Are you guys familiar with a champagne wall at weddings, right? So it's this wall that they decorate, and they have it's like glasses already filled with champagne on the wall. That's cute. So I thought I was seeing the first time, and then some TamFamers they were like, nah, this was at such and such wedding, this was at such and such wedding, whatever. But I thought that was cute. And then at wedding they give out favors and things like that. So at Shen's wedding, they had this thing where, Sinalicious, you would know these things. This is what you do. But they had this thing where they had about 8 or 10 different oils, and in these upside down bottles and these cute little bottles, and you could just like, fill your little bottle with whichever oil you want, and the oil tastes good. And you had like oil for men and oil for women, and I thought that was cute too, but I've never seen that before. Right? I didn't see that before, I think. So it was one of those. And then she had these two the theme was red with rose, it was red was a constant theme there. And so there was a lot of rose and stuff, and then in the cocktail, she had 2 women who were just walking roses. It was just really nice, TikTok. Oh, so this is what I want to show you real quick. Let me see.
universe that blows your mind the most? One's just the size and scale of it.
Wait. Listen this. Just listen.
What is the one fact about the universe that blows your mind the most? One's just the size and scale of it. I mean, in the piece of the universe we can see, there are something like, roughly, 2 trillion galaxies. An estimate based on surveys of the local universe. 2 trillion, 2,000 billion galaxies. And each galaxy is, let's say, around the size of the Milky Way. Some are bigger, some are smaller, but the Milky Way has 400 billion stars in it. It takes light over 100,000 years to cross a galaxy, and there are 2 trillion of them in a piece of the universe we can see, and we're very sure that that piece that we can see is a small bit of what may be an infinite universe beyond. We don't know, actually. And I always say, don't get worried about that, because nobody can picture it. It is impossible to visualize the scale of the universe.
Like 100,000 years to traverse our galaxy, but there are 2 trillion galaxies out there, and that is only what we can ascertain right now. So it's only what we can see, 2 trillion galaxies, and the 2 trillion galaxies that we can see is a small part of the universe, which means you could have 10 trillion galaxies out there, whatever. I think about these things, and then like I was telling you guys, like, where does the universe end? Because the universe is space, right? The universe is the culmination of all space. Right, so we're used to referring to space as being up in the sky, like outside of Earth, but space is right here, as you know. This is space, right? So within space, things exist, right, and distance exists. Where does all of that stop, and how does that stop, and can it stop? Can you have a point where there is nothing beyond that point? And how can you have a point where there's nothing beyond it when, say, space stop right here, right? So all those trillions of galaxies stop right here. What is this? How does it look? It can't be a wall, because that wall would have to be flush against something. A wall cannot exist without space behind it in general, as we know a wall to be. So it can't be a wall. So how does the end of space look? Not only that, astronomers said there's no end to space. And when they said that, I was like, what do you mean there's no end to space? They're like, space is always expanding. That don't make any sense to me. Right? Because if space is always expanding, doesn't that mean that space must necessarily be expanding in more space? And you can't have that, because then that's already space. If something is expanding, it's growing, it's getting larger. So if my hand is here and it's expanding, it's taking up more space beyond my hand. So that means that space there already exists. So that already has to be a part of the universe, because the universe is a culmination of all space. So how can all space be expanding? Where is it expanding into what? You want to follow when I think about it, like, we to expand and go. You know what I'm saying? The universe always a grow and things like that. Them things that boggle my mind, you know? Yeah, no start, no end. It can't be no start, no end. How was the universe created? Like, what existed before space? Anyway. Yeah, so you hear the bridge in here. This guy is like so brilliant, by the way. And again, this is nerd time, people. Nerd time. This is nerd time. I got too much stuff here. I just wanna and I want to say thanks to the people who are allowing me to just indulge in some of my nonsense here. I don't see it. There was this other one I wanted you guys to hear, but I don't see it. It would be nice if I search for these things before the show. All right. Anyway, good evening, 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 good evening. Blessings and respect, people. I is our there. So while I was at Shen's wedding, I was talking to some people and things like that. So Raga, you believe that America went to the moon in 1969? There's a huge debate about that, you know. They're saying it didn't happen, but it's another story. Anyway, so I was talking to this couple, and I'm going to hear one thing about this. And they were like, them nah make them pick me no. All right, so there was this other really wealthy billionaire family. And the husband and the wife, they were saying that they have like monthly meetings with the family, with the kids. And they discuss the family money and where it going to do and so forth. That so they make the kids aware. But these are billionaires or whatever, you know. So. But I was talking to a couple, while at the wedding, and they were saying nowadays, parents nothing make them pick no. If parents have a food or property or them something, them say nowadays, like, it's just not wise to let your children know. So I was just like, at all? I'm just like, don't let them know. If you're leaving it to them, they'll get it after you die, but don't let them know you have it. So Nikki's saying, why? So, one thing about that. Seriously, one thing about that. And of course, I will tell you where the conversation went. I mean, you can probably discern where why they said that is. But, but one thing about that, are we at a time now where... And the conversation was textured. There was the obvious, and then there were some other things that come up, you know. But one thing about that, right? Yeah, the Mendes brothers. Just tell me one thing. The obvious one is that a lot of kids know, or a lot is relative, no? But there are numerous instances where these kids in the Western world who have access to firearms and so forth and things like that, a lot of them been killing them parents, to get access to the money and things like whatever. But is it true that with the present generation of kids that is it true that the present generation of kids are more entitled and lazy? Is that true? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right. So this is coming from a thing when we hear out there not. All right, let's see you, Tasha. Yeah, so this is some of this thing about don't tell your kids whatever. It's coming from some, this increasing understanding amongst many that the children of today are different. And that if they know what they can get access to, they will do what they need to get access to. But another argument that was made, separate and apart from the children, unaliving their parents in order to get access to their resources, is the whole notion that it spoils the children, it make them workless. The whole thing about it, if you give the pitney them everything and whatever, them don't know what struggle is, them don't know how to fend for themselves. And that thing that what me like what TD Jake say, the pastor TD Jake says like parents worry about what they're leaving to their children when they should worry more about parents worry about parents worry about what they're leaving to their children when they should be more worried about what they're leaving in their children. And if you follow that paradigm, then you have to be careful that you don't want to leave a sense of comfort and complacency where children are not equipped to fend for themselves and to look out for themselves in a very unforgiving world. Like when you gone, what type of skill them we're having at them head for survive. So there was this argument made also like, don't let your kids know how much you have or whatever, this and that, because they'll be lazy. And they won't be, they won't do what they need to do through no fault of their own. It would be a consequence of your parenting. Like if you provide everything for them, then what am I for fend for or fight for, right? So you have that element there. That came up also. And when you deconstruct that a little more, one thing that will come, they're like, this lady said, Raga, them nowadays picnic and them jealous and bad mind and them parents. And I'm like, what you mean? My more hear say parents jealous and bad mind for kids. But you don't believe say kids jealous over parents? I don't know. I don't know. All children are really not the same because some are really go getters. You might have some pitney out there. Them enjoy it or something there. But again, that must necessarily be something that they acquired from their environment or from you, the parents, in terms of example set and so forth, to be like, to not only go out there and go for where they want, but to enjoy doing so, particularly if they do it of their own initiative, without prodding or prompting or pushing, like some kids just enjoy achieving. It's just their thing. They just enjoy achieving. And but they would have gotten it from somewhere. They would have gotten it from somewhere. Either from the parents that tell them it, or by example, or, somewhere in their environment. I don't know, church, the internet, whatever. They would have gotten it from somewhere, Sade says she think it's more entitled than jealous. All right, I'm going to share with you something that I got over the years. This is not coming from me, right? This is not coming from me. Let me just be clear. This is not coming from me. It's just over the years, I've heard this and I noticed the pattern. apparently you have a lot of parents out there who are jealous of their children. But based on what I've heard over the years, it's mostly the mothers who are jealous of the children. Anything goes so? But I say only, because I say want to observe. Right? Stir up that little bit and see if one can dream chase. I said that's true. That's curious. Somebody say a BS. Pretty One Queen say facts. Again, this is not coming from me. I'm just saying over the years when Mixup come in first, that parents jealous of whatever. Initially, because I can't even see myself thinking like that, like. I'm going to be one of them parents when my kids come and give me something. I say, no, man, keep that, man. That's for you. I'm a good man. I am going to be one of those parents. I know that for a fact. So I can't see how I'm jealous over my kid. I'm going to be a parent like me. See your kids, I'm happy and you're happy because they're happy. So initially when I heard that, I was, it took me a while to adjust to that, yeah, well, of course it could happen. But then over the years, I noticed that when the mix of them come in with jealous parents, 9 times out of 10 is a woman. Like, what is going on there? What is there to understand? Why is that? Run up and get done up.
Hello?
Run up and get done up.
Hey, Raga, what's up?
Me I use on the talk,
I know.
Wagwan and
It's okay. You could
Tasha.
use them. How was your weekend?
It was great, I went
Good,
to I
good.
went to Shen's wedding in Florida, and then after that I spent some time with Zion.
Uh-huh.
So on Sunday I spent some time with Zion, which was real. Zion is transitioning to some kind of phase where it's like bros chilling. Like I'm still his father, and but like
Yeah.
he's relating to me more now,
course.
like like we can just kick back and easy, and the rhythm is like we're him a do him thing, me and have a reason and thing like two bros or whatever, and that's so cool to be experiencing that as a father, Yeah, so it was fun. That was what it was
And
like.
at the end of the day, it's still perfect. And at the end of the day, it's still quality time spent.
There you go. You turn up. You're there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. But hi, sisters. Nobody but CBS, Delmarine,
Yeah.
Pretty Punchy, my girl Java, and Naki B. I love them so much. Move Raga. So, so you know what? I do believe that obviously when it comes to or people and finances and stuff, I don't know. For me, it's not necessarily a touchy situation, but just what you brought up just now, it brings into perspective that I do believe that it every single kid out there you're gonna able to say, oh my God, say may I leave I don't know, may I leave a couple 100,000 for you and whatever, and it's gonna be yours. Of course, history has proven that they may become antsy and want it quicker than you're able to give it, right? That's with anything. But Raga, on the other hand, kids are off them parents for simply taking out them phone. So you cannot leave nothing for them and them still take you out, correctly?
That's true. And it's happening.
So yeah, and it's happening. But my thoughts on the situation is I'm gonna tell mine. Like, obviously we have one kid and we want to make sure that she is financially secured. And people may think of it as probably, oh my God, she's not going to be able to work hard for whatever she want. But that's really not it, right? Um, what really, well, ever since we've been, thinking about her financial security from she was a baby, right? But what really tied everything together is when, the story when we brought her to see BTS at California, and her dad and I got into, a car accident in, whatever. And trust me, me see my life flash in front of me. And me just a picture my family coming back, going actually to California to bring home me and my husband body. And I'm like, oh my God, what would happen to our kid
To your
here
daughter, right.
in California? What would happen to her? Raga, you see from there, so it's like me and Anthony just going a beast mode. Now, mind you, from the child little bit, for her first birthday, our three godparents, them, she ain't never got to worry about her college funds. That's number one. Right? So she knows what it is. When she started like work at her senior year in high school, right? She nepotism, her dad got her a job somewhere exclusive. So she worked there. And Raga, what the kid said to her, this is before she even in a college, she's like, oh, I wanna open a high yield savings. I'm like, okay, go girl. So we bring her, make an appointment, sit down with her, open a high yield savings for her. The kid have her, bank card from she a little kid in a high school. So she knows about money. She knows about, the responsibilities that come in with money and working feet. We talked to her about life insurance, right? She is, guys, if you have life insurance, I highly suggest you put all your kids as a rider. That costs you probably $10 extra on your life insurance, right? And when they become 21, say you take out a policy for them, probably, they're a little kid, so probably a 50,000 policy. That's $10 a month, right? So by the time they become 21, they now own that policy, right? They own that policy and they now can start. They own the policy, so no, it's necessarily they're not a rider anymore, right? Sorry if I'm like, using whatever terms, but she's no longer a rider. She now owns the policy. But the good thing is, she won't ever need to go to a insurance company and say, "Oh, can you, sell me some life insurance?" No, because she's already grandfathered in, right? So we tell her, about the importance of life insurance, about, savings. So it is important to have financial discussion with kids as soon as you're able to. That way you're not setting them up to fail.
And the issue that many of us was we weren't raised we didn't get financial literacy when we were being raised, and and then we need to break that cycle and then equip our children along those lines so that they're better equipped to. At the end of the day, you have to deal with money in this world. Money anchors so much of what you do. So, and there are a myriad of ways to manage it and to exploit it, to your benefit and things throughout your lifetime. And so you're saying that, no, educate your kids about it. Let them know about it, I think. Right?
Yeah, you have to. Else they're going to go into the world blind. And Raga, I swear to you, this little girl, she knows all the pin to her account or brokerage account. She knows the account number. She can go online. She can move money. Raga, what if something just no, obviously we have, will and trust and all of that. But I'm talking about like right now, if something, God forbid, happened to Anthony or myself, she is able to say, oh, no. I know their PIN. I know this. I can log into their account. I want my child to know exactly the foundation that is being laid for her. And no say, our father, make sure no say, no man can ever come and take advantage of her. will never take advantage
Right.
of her.
I get that, right? So, but and if you don't mind, let me be a little bit provocative here. What if some parents are listening to you right now and with two things, and I know you won't mind me saying this because one,
Right.
I know you have one child,
Mm-hmm.
right? So it's just Abby. Um,
Yeah.
I can see where some parents are listening, and if it's one child, let's say, well, that's different because it's one child. And then there's another I can see other parents listening
True.
and saying, whether one, two, or three, and saying, him to the and know and can have access to all their account.
Yeah.
Me couldn't do that with my picnic them, not with my junior, not with my Sharon or whatever. Me know me couldn't do that with them. Like, just what would you say to them?
Yeah, but
I would imagine
and
they could
listen.
still do the same thing without giving them blanket access, though. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Them could still
Yeah,
set
I know.
everything. Right? Because the way on the raise, Abby's responsible and whatever. But let's
She
be real.
is.
Let's be real, though.
Uh-huh.
That Abby is not reflective of kids in general. I would
No,
think
she's not. The
she's
kid is so
not.
laid back.
Right,
She's not.
right, right,
Uh-huh.
right. So,
Yeah.
what would you say to parents now who are listening and be like, "Yeah, I want to do something like that for my kids, one, but I don't know about the blanket access to all the accounts and you can go in there and do anything to it and whatever." I would think that there is other ways to set it up without doing that, and you're cognizant of these things. So, what would you say to
Yeah.
them? Yeah.
There's other ways to set it up. I mean, obviously, i- if a parent is saying that what you're saying just now, then you have to know your kids, right? You have to know your kids. If you log into the bank and you see where your teenager, right, is constantly online, constantly spending, not budgeting,
Right,
right? You
right.
go into that kid's room. When you look on her board, she's not saying, okay, this is what I'm going to get. This is what I have the money for. You kind of have a mind to say, no, I'm dealing with a spender here. So therefore, I
Right.
must limit what I need to limit, right? But as I said, this Anthony and I method is not for everyone. As I told you,
Right, right.
Raga, we had a near death experience. So we had to come back to Jersey and we had to put a lot of stuff in place, even though other stuff was in place, right? We had to put stuff in place to guarantee that if anything, she will have quick access to. And also, for example, people may say, that's a stretch, let you know your brokerage account. Okay, no, but when we go with our financial planner, she goes to, so she know how to get in. She know Billy Abby's gonna be 19 and the kid knows how to buy and sell stocks. Right? So
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
right. So it's something where you have to know your kid. You have to know if all they want is just spend with no consequence to where the funds are coming from, then we have an issue. The little girl barely spends her own money. She's a saver. She's not a spender. I
That's
was
so.
telling my sister, I was telling Java that, Java, please. Man, the kid got him store. Man, I say, you know want this? No. Like, no. Raga, she love her Vans sneakers. She love her Jordan's low. She no like brand. When we're going on a brand store, she look around, she bored, she ready to leave. So I know my kid is not a spender, right? So therefore, we reward her, we enhance on what she already know.
But you still had the option though, whether through a will or through, and so many more people are now accessing trust. That with that you bypass probate, you bypass the courts with a will and so forth and things like that.
Yeah.
What about it? People who are thinking like, well, just put them as a beneficiary on the trust or the will. They don't have to know about this stuff. What do you think about? No, and I understand what you are saying with your option, but
Yeah.
you see yourself advising somebody and saying, I think the best option for you, given you what your concerns are and what you have observed about your children, is that you make them a beneficiary, or of the trust or so forth like that. You could see where that is a viable option too. Correct?
Well, for sure, for sure. Every situation will be different. Every family will be different, and most importantly, every kid will be different. And the as I said before, whatever happened, we already had that, work out, trust, whatever, she's the beneficiary, da 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 da. But it's just those are the hard stuff, right? Those are the hard stuff. The easy stuff is before she even gets an opportunity to sit down with a real estate lawyer or the trust or whatever, right? Won't she need funds in the meantime? Correct? And she knows how to access it.
Won't she need funds in the meantime? Like,
Yeah, no, I'm
but
just saying.
you would have had something separate from that, though. The whole idea with a trust is that it's separate from your day-to-day living expenses and so forth. So something else would be set up.
And that's
for
what
that.
I'm saying,
right,
Raga.
right.
And that is the setting up that we're talking about. The setting up is her having access, correct?
Well,
The
not to the
setting
trust
up
for
is
day-to-day expenses.
no. That exactly. So there's no access with a trust or a will or whatever. But how it is set up is for right now, everyday spending, checking account stuff. She has access to that.
Right.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying.
Oh, okay. So she have a...
That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
Yeah, so to the point of, the original point was, should kids know about, the parent financial situation? I'm saying not only should they know about it, but in rare cases, depending on the child, they should have some type of access to it.
Okay, I see what you're saying. Knowing full well that some parents would say, yes, I can see where that works for you, but it wouldn't work for me because the one Mikey I be a weed, he must smoke out there and he won't love nice car and him that blow up the money and this and that, you know what I'm saying? And whatever,
Yeah,
me rather leave
I
it
get
so
it.
him get it. And for those of you who don't know, you can structure what you're leaving where it has to be spent in a certain way,
Yeah.
right? And the possibilities there are limitless. You can literally design it the way you want. You can
For
say
sure.
this amount can only go towards the purchase of a house. If them don't want it, them not get access to it. And if them have the house, the such and such equity have a building at the house first and da. And
Before
if
they
them
can
get
sell.
married, this and that. You
Yeah.
can structure it any way you want to do it, just so you know. And that is where a good... it's mostly trust the lawyers who do these things, but you have people who are not
Yeah.
lawyers who are really good at it. They just call them financial advisors, and they're really good at I remember say trust law is state law, so you have to know how it
Yeah.
works in your state and things like that. But
And that's why me pro your kid for know. You know why, Raga?
right.
God forbid, right? The worries that certain parent may have, for example, the people them where say, obviously I don't want my kids them know nothing, is the fact that they may take you out before you know the time.
Right.
However, them will take you out, but them not have the understanding, Raga say, if I take them out, I have access to the money because the way it's set up, me would have to reach that age year, them would have to reach that age year, and me not go get it lump sum, me go get probably 5,000 a month, 10,000 a month,
Right.
me go maybe get a weekly allowance. So if you would sit down and have that conversation, say,
Good
put it
point.
in them head that, listen, okay, anything you think about today, you better cut it out because, listen, if anything happened to me and my husband, dog me your supper because you see nothing.
No, because you can literally put that in your trust, to say, if your child cause you harm or do anything to the parents, them don't get anything.
Me not ask, you
Yeah, you
get
can do that.
zero.
Yeah, you can do that. You can show them like this money is here for you and whatever. But just so you know, you do anything to that mommy and I or daddy and I or
Yeah.
whatever, you ain't getting nothing. See it there, black and white
Yeah.
is there in the law. You're not
Yeah.
getting it. It's
You're
going.
not
It's
getting
going to some
nothing.
charity or something
No,
or
it
whatever.
won't go straight to Jamaica for feed the little kids them in
The little
basic
kids,
school.
not you, right?
You're not getting
Oh,
nothing.
and by the way, we had a really good lawyer. So if you contest it, the likelihood of you winning and thing is like nil. Right? No
Yeah. So
loopholes.
look here,
Right?
and
So don't poison my Cersei. Don't poison my Cersei.
yeah, because the way me have this thing is set up, many loopholes to go through. It won't be a dark day for you.
That they fear the way it's set up. None no loophole
Yeah.
that they fear. Again, people,
Yeah.
you can set up your trust. You can put any conditions you want to put in it. I mean, within the the boundaries of the law. You can't
Yeah, for sure.
tell
So
them say them figure go kick Regina and throat if them want to get the money. That won't work.
yeah,
Right.
right.
Yeah.
So that's just all me think. God forbid, much time people take out people and them realize say, oh, wow, I wasn't even a bishop beneficiary. But me did that for nothing. No, but you see,
Yeah. Wills. That people have had some surprises in wills and
yeah.
interesting.
Yeah. So again, Raga, I'm just like pro transparency. I understand. And
Right.
you bring up the point that, I want kid me have maybe if it's more than one, then more that probably
So
think it through with Anthony if he say,
yeah.
probably.
It's such and such a go upset as such and such if this happens. Some we reconcile that because
Yeah.
or
Yeah.
this
Yeah.
one
Yeah.
have more needs here than the other, but that
Yeah.
one you go look on it that way or whatever,
Mm-hmm.
and those things can get pretty tricky. Yeah,
Yeah,
when
for
there's more
sure,
than
for
one.
sure. Yeah, but people, listen, the way some of them kids are set up, them are going to take out parents, whether the parents them rich or poor. It makes no difference. You take away them phone is an issue. You take away them Xbox if they have one, it's an issue.
No.
Kids nowadays they're getting
One of
upset for the least little things.
one of the thing now with them are off them parents for when the parents say them can't be in a relationship with so and so. It's
Oh wow.
crazy. Yeah, that is a
Yeah.
thing out there now. Like Pitney said, no, I need for that we do more and dead when me are 14. Boom,
Right.
them gonna do this and that and whatever. It's
Yeah. Yeah, but
No, but I see your
that's it.
point though. You're saying that based upon and yeah, you have a responsible child that I happen to have an understanding of right there and things
Yeah,
like
yeah.
that. But you're saying that transparency is important, particularly with the financial literacy part. If you're
Yeah.
going to teach them financial literacy, why wouldn't you, tell them, well, this is what you're going to be financially literate with.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
this
for
is how we
sure.
want you to behave with it for your interest and things.
Yeah.
Should something happen to us and so forth. So that is
Yeah.
that is empowering, and that is that is one of the greatest gifts a parent can give to their child is that financial protection, not only protection but the wherewithal to deal with it in a as much as possible in a competent and responsible way, because money is good, but we all know one of the things was spoil so many relationships and so many lives is money.
Right.
So failure to manage it properly, not only with yourself, but in relation to others, and thing can just cause all kind of complication. Look how many people win the lotto and say the worst thing happened to them.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
and the percentage is so high too because guess what? No money to sit down and consult
Wait.
anyone.
Sorry. Your cheap flip phone just chip out a while ago. So repeat what you
R-
just said. Man.
Raga, the antenna broke off.
Me Anthony talk today, whatever, and when something come up and I'm like, Anthony, you Android, and he's like, yeah, I'm Android. And I say, Antasha, she iPhone one. I'm saying, yeah, the one of my iPhone, the one of my iPhone, but I want on my Android. I say, go Anthony, my Android, or whatever. Yeah, when you say the antenna broke off,
The antenna, yeah, give me trouble, man. I saw me tape it up, it lean.
You see it, you see it, you
Yeah,
see it.
yeah. But Raga, and to me, this whole financial situation, it affected me when I was younger also because, obviously my situation. I was like being pulled as a kid in two different directions. One
Right.
where hardworking side, who nothing come easy, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then you have one side who like money is not even an issue. Like, and it create confusion. It create a lot of questions like, okay, so why that side, who I relate to more, why this side like don't have it together like this side.
Right.
And then as me I grow, I say, okay, because the odds are against them. Certain things it don't set up how it's supposed to be set up. And I don't know. Maybe I wanted to come to a balance. I never want to have one heap where I'm like, my character is no good. Because I've seen it on the other side where money do some nasty things to people. So I wanted a balance, right? I wanted to be able to have a comfortable life, like, be able to like help somebody if they needed help, but not be so filthy rich where money now start, let me not say that because money don't make people bad enough. It doesn't, right? Certain characteristic comes out once you have that money.
Right.
Money is so
money is
innocent.
just an object, right?
It's a tool.
It's what's already there that comes out, right? Yeah.
It's a tool that, they use. So growing up, I know that, I knew that I wanted a balance. So, and I guess, that's what I kind of strive for every day to be, I don't know, Raga, to be humble, to be helpful to the less fortunate. I don't know if that's why I do so much charity work because my aim is always to give back no matter what. And hopefully she can see that and walk that same path.
Right.
And I do realize that, money not like being, almost she going into probably, whatever. She's almost not going to be a teen anymore. And I kind of see it where, money's not on her brain in that sense, but she's still responsible with it.
With it. Good.
Yeah, so that's what I want to come across to the listener. It's not, oh my God, give your kids full access to your stuff them where you work or hard for. I know that more want get cross to the TamFamers. If you have a kid and or children, just if it's even the basics, sit down with them with a little balancing stuff and balance out something for the week. All your purchases them for the week, wanna sit down on a little table and wanna balance that out. And say, this is what we spend for the week, this is what we get paid, and this is what we spend for the week. And look, oh my God, me save $100. It's simple as that,
And you teach them for budget and based on what come in and what go out. Right.
You don't necessarily need to give nobody access to your account. It's simple, just budget. People barely use check no more. Otherwise, you would use a checkbook. But it's just getting a piece of pen and paper, Raga, and said, oh, good. We save $100 a week here or da-da-da-da-da. It's just that. Make your kids financially literate. You don't have to be wealthy to do it. You do not. All right, TamFamers.
Wait. Last question.
Yeah. Raga, don't come with no foolishness.
No. Oh, me?
Sure.
No. Last question. True story. Parent raise their 3 kids, and there are 3 biological kids and an adopted child. And based on how the adopted child move with them compared to the 3 biological kids, and the adopted child was adopted after the 3 biological kid born,
Mm-hmm.
the parents left everything to the adopted child.
Mm.
And with the understanding that the adopted child would share the money to the biological kids.
Okay.
One, what do you think about that?
To
The three biological kids them spoil and not treat them
yeah.
parents good. The adopted child, she was just all about her parents and things like that. But yeah, what do you think about that?
Yeah, she all about her parents because she grateful say somebody adopt her. Me still not left that money to her.
You still not left it to
Yeah,
her?
me not left that money to her. No, no, oh, me feel pain for bring them kids there. Okay, so they may
It's
maybe not
even though the
treat me
three
good,
biological
but
kids not treat you good and whatever, this and that, yet
it
yes.
and it
Yeah.
depends on what kind of treatment, If probably me call and you're like, what? Or whatever, but it really
It
depends on
wasn't
what the
abuse or it
disrespect is,
wasn't any physical thing, but it was just negligence, ignoring, have nothing to do with you or whatever. And the only time I talk to you is when I want something from you, and I don't
Okay.
come to Thanksgiving, don't check in, nothing like that. I live them life and whatever, So right. And
Well,
and to the parents' credit, the biological child distributed share the money 4-way.
okay, so right down the middle, everybody got
Everybody
got
except
25%.
as far as I know, no, because there was a problem. The
Okay.
biological child, there was two things come up. The biological child designate a sum, like an emergency sum for everybody,
Mm-hmm.
where if something happened to any one of the four of them, all
Mm-hmm.
four have to come together to decide to access that money for that emergency.
Okay.
This is
Mm-hmm.
just give you an idea what the biological child is like. Also, the biological child gave more money to our sister, So there's two son and a sister. She gave more money to the sister because
Mm-hmm.
the sister has 4 children and the son them don't have anything. So she even gave the sister more than she got and more than the 2 son them get. But the 2 son them never liked that. The 2 son them wanted split or whatever, this and that. But it was a biological child's decision because she was a trustee.
Okay.
She was a trustee.
Yeah.
And then and she gave the sister more money than herself and the 2 sons.
Okay. I don't see a problem with that, especially as you said, the sister, have, more kids.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Y-
the adopted, I keep saying the biological child. The adopted child, she don't have any kids, and the 2 sons have no kids.
mm.
And the parents
Okay.
drop out.
Okay. Well, obviously, even though the parents left that for the adoptive child, I mean, I think she still handled it well. If you had tell me that she run off with the money now, that would be different.
Right, she
But
didn't. But it's like the
yeah,
parents knew what they were doing. But she could have, though.
yeah,
She could have.
run right off.
Yeah, she could have.
Okay, all right. So I mean, that situation worked out.
Work out, but very
Yeah,
often they don't, despite choices made with the best intentions. People change or people show different sides and all kind of thing or
yeah.
whatever, including one of the common things what happen now is in America here, elderly who have somebody taking care of them, them either leave something for them caregiver or they will leave everything to them caregiver, and that cause a whole heap of problem here,
Yeah.
Yeah, that cause a whole heap of problem. Yeah. It's a thing right here in New York and in the Northeast, where
Right.
a lot of our people work with elderly and things like that and whatever. And I've had farmers come, I'm having a problem. She left me this and that, but them don't want me get it. Them a contest it and all kind of problems, Crazy.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I know of a similar situation with that, honestly. And, I mean, if you think about it, if somebody constantly taking care of you, is you, them say, them, them have conversation, you form a bond, right? So I can definitely see that.
See, Veronique in the chat, she knows somebody. Yeah, Florida too, definitely. That's a retirement state. Florida, Arizona, and so forth. Veronique says she knows a caregiver who got the house.
Let me tell you of a story, right?
Yeah.
My aunt, my mom, older sister. So she works, well, used to. She's retired now. She used to, many years ago, Raga. She used to work at uh Keisler. It's like a rehabilitation place up in Livingston, and she there was a NFL guy that had some injury and he was in a coma, right? But she like was assigned to him for probably maybe 6 7 months he was in that coma. So she would obviously go in, like roll him over, do his therapy, because she's a physical therapist. And the first thing, she would go in, like, remember, he's in a coma, and she interact, oh hi, it's whatever, coming in this morning, outside is so hot, you would not like it if you were outside. And she would be having regular conversation with him, right? Regular conversation on a daily basis. So my aunt was off and she came in the next day, and he's gone from his room. So she's like, oh my God, did they pull the plug? What did they do to him? He regained consciousness, and the first person he asked for was her by name.
Because probably they thought it wasn't
He
coma,
heard
but he was
everything she was
hearing everything.
saying.
Oh, yes, everything.
Yeah, every conversation, the weather. Oh, it's 8 o'clock now. Did they change your feeding tube? Oh, you look good this morning. You're smiling this morning.
Right.
The first person he asked for was her by name.
By name. Wow.
Yeah.
But so did he leave something for her or do something for her or something?
Yes, he did. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Was there any complications associated with it? Did anybody have a problem
No,
with it? Oh,
no,
okay.
no. Listen, the family, they were so grateful. They were so grateful. No, in fact, if it wasn't enough, they would have put more on it. Yeah, they were just so grateful.
Them know how she did it for him, though. See.
Sorry. I was drinking and I thought it was ice. Oh my gosh. So yeah. All right, Raga. So I'll go. I have to go.
All right. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I've been needing for
That's
something.
okay. Yeah, that's okay.
All right. Later, TamFams.
All right. Blessings, man. Cool.
All right. Later, TamFam and sister. Later.
All right. Cool. Yeah, man. There's a lot of caregivers. Deal, big up yourself. Me see you, Papa. Me see you. Caregivers. People leave things to them, and very often it's not a problem. Them get what was left to them, but on occasions you have particularly when a relative think that they should have gotten something and them never get nothing, then them contest what was given to the caregiver based on how substantial it is, in terms of what the caregiver got. If it was something petty, them no small, them no problem with that. But if it's something like significant or whatever, they come and usually have them argument, family, blood, and who are you, that type of thing. And of course, husband and wife to them have them little problem too, like you have blood family who think the wife not forget this or the husband not forget this, because all kinds of stuff. Family who think the wife not forget this or the hello. All kinds of stuff. Hello. Think they are loop back, so a person they never ready, you see. Never intend for come. Hey man,
Hey,
your greetings.
Raga, you ever hear some man come back, come take the grocery them and buy you yet?
No, me and say man come back come take underwear, him take clothes. Me know a man who come back come take him door, him buy a door for woman and him come take off the door when him buy. Me never really hear grocery yet.
Well, Raga, you know what I want to tell you, we go on.
Gimme. That shit for me, the box me down with it there, yeah.
Raga, me rent one house and make this man come stay with me because the house that little distance from the road, so you know, say I'm one, me kind of afraid.
Yeah.
But Raga, the man not, me no never through me at work and I buy things, the man not bringing up no Raga. So one day I buy 2 juice and carry in. When I come from work the next day, the man drink them. So me I said, no man, this can't right. So I buy some Epsom salt. Anybody know Epsom salt? No say
Jesus God,
Epsom
oh
salt and
Lord.
white sugar
Jesus
look
God.
similar.
How way you go do now, man?
So I me mix up the little Epsom salt with the white sugar, put
And
on the milk
run in
and
belly.
the oats and everything. Left guy work the next man, me hear the man call me and say him no know what happen, him belly can't tap run. So me say,
Yeah.
you drink the white thing when me left on the counter and say, yeah, Mr. Ratty, you drink the Epsom salt. Good God, man. So anyway, me realize that even after that, you know, some man that say no, so something not right. Me start bring little things. No, the man see me Raga, the man still a come. So me talk buy grocery come my yard, my cousin own one shop. So me pay her for grocery. Me say, listen, me gonna work, you cook when me come home, me and go up. When me there home, me wash and cook before him come, turn on your pot, say, 2 hours hungry when him come in.
Yeah.
So one man me did it, and the man wake up. Me never da go work the man. The man said to me, say, I'm hungry, you know. So me say, me too. What does that have to do with me?
Yeah.
He left, go down to him sister, cause they must get barrel and the man get some food stuff and carry them up. No way, him did me say no sir, me can't work and mind my and you come and enjoy my and you not bring nothing come in here and me a pay the rent. This can't work, so me lock shop. The man say if him birthday come and you not get none of my cut me off. Raga, boy God work good you know. When the boy birthday come, never my son birthday, me not get up in the morning and sing bad man song.
You get up and sing bad man song?
Yes, Raga, I never remember had the birthday.
What you mean I sing bad man song? That a code or literal?
Raga, me literally wake up the man. That's why me tell you, say, hey, the God that we serve, me feel like he kind of little mix up, you know. Because first night history, Raga, me wake up and you only have sing a little cartel and yeah, go on.
Yeah.
Me never must have the man birthday, Raga.
So we him feel away because you get up and sing bad man song?
Me hear the man begs and go away. When the man go on, him said to me, say, imagine rubbish on my birthday, you don't even tell me happy birthday, get up and show your word in a song. So me I say, brah, happy birthday for true, Jesus Christ. Me nobody tell him nothing. So anyway, me not see him back for the rest of the day. Next morning, me get up and boil some porridge and go back in my bed. I drink the porridge, me hear the bag them in the kitchen a rackle. So me I say, right entire man, me have neighbor. Raga. When I get up, going to the kitchen, the boy I take about the rice, the flour, the sugar, everything where we are cook out a Raga pushing in a knapsack.
For what?
So wait no man, me no say nothing, me just go back in the room, go finish the porridge and turn back and go down the road. So me go tell the whole of the man them down the road. Hear him call me.
You know you're terrible though. Alright, go ahead, yeah.
Hear him call me in the evening now. Good evening, me have something to talk to you about. So me say what happened? I hope you not go tell the people them down the road say me come back for the stuff them you know because me can't live for the whole of the food stuff and me hungry. Me say rat it from man when me catch in the kitchen start tell me. But me don't tell everybody already, so what me I go do?
Listen to me now. Me not, you usually make careful when people there and whatever. Me not tell nobody for left him or left her or me have to be really close to somebody and them have to do something really egregious, something terrible. Me say no leg of that. But you listen to me now. Any man, I don't business with it. Let us assume, say you did, you did terrible, right? Let us assume, which you weren't, but let us assume, say you did terrible and disgusting, right?
Right, that's so.
And if him still go take back his food, them and tell a workless man that.
Mister, and then you have the nerves to come in the evening. I go tell Mr. What me not go tell Raga no good mix up that for go swing a shop front and you play two damn know. But you have to go tell him.
No man, I could mix up that man. We say I could mix up that for that shop front where you play domino and thing. Like you go say, all right, me get me people. Me say, on the cock of the ears and listen to this one. Yeah. Hello? I want to go on. No man, try come back. Don't play with me. If your hand touch a mute button, take your finger off of it. Take your finger off of it. All right, see if you can come back there. Look like you get cut. Let me see what I go on this. Let me see if I can get there, but all right. It look like a man that goes home.
That not like them something here, you know. So maybe that boy over here listen to and go report me.
And I go home your thing. Anyway, go and talk.
I say, but Raga, me did have to fix the boy belly, man. And then after that, the boy come back for the food stuff. Me start a little bit of water left in the bag, the boy not left in a Raga.
Even a little bit of what?
Even the little bit of the boy stuff, everything in the knapsack. But I am full Raga, I'm sure I tell me, say not tell nobody. Like him, they forgot to maybe me say me have to go down the road. As him left, me don't drink the porridge enough to make my belly full, you know. Because me have to go tell everybody, you know, you have to have strength to carry the Mixup.
Listen to me, me know when all your pony say him take it oats and gone, your pony must
No,
feel
man, me don't lock shop already. I run me that chair run here with Raga, but me never have no strength for war the boy. So you know you have to find one next
but just me know you probably all feel look bad and say me can't believe how this a man I make her. I work listeners that man.
No, me have to go cuss me cousin. You know why?
Yeah, why?
How me just got the area, my cousin dey pan. Why my cousin? A good man, you know, him a hustler, yeah, hustler, so no can try life together. So you know me and your family, me no think say that set me up on a drunk. Raga the worst man.
Yeah, well,
and then after me start no hear little drunk too. That's why me have to cuss her in a Raga. But boy, you too miserable man. Me say yes, because you take 3 man and the 3 of them left you go marry 2 people in a year. Yeah. So you want company for care with you, so you set me up with this year drunk. Yeah. But they have for anger Raga.
no man, him go lose this. We lose our fame this as a man, you know? Right, we lose our fame this.
But me should have known so the boy across seas because he have a pupa in a Raga where the father sick. I don't even know them people who come with them sore foot.
Mm-hmm.
So me that dress the sore foot and one day the father look for me and say, I don't want you help my son build no house and then him live in night, you know. So you know something I say people senile. So me not too appear no man. But when me and my father so long attack me I say, Daddy, me not understand. And this my boy father said to me, you know, some father say, so what you do? Take it serious or you take it as joke. So me say, me not understand where you going. So my father said, listen to me, my daughter. What the man I tell you in a layman terms is that the boy ungrateful. And him see the good in you, so him no want you go suffer with the boy. So if I'm right, that's a Raga all nature dead. Because I feel papa enough for me. So if you're a papa with me a help, I go tell me that. That means say, Raga, you're not ready.
See somebody in that chat there, he named Gold Street deal. Him say if you lock shop, me I take it back. What you feel about that?
Boy, Gold Street, that's why you should go drink your white substance and inside that oats.
I can't believe him take back little bit of oats left in that box and him take it back to
said the boy take back everything. The boy doesn't have the heart. I think I rat in the kitchen, you know. And when me get up, I be the rustle and get up, go look, me see the boy, Mr. Raga told me shock. I could have said, no, me have to just go sit down back and finish me porridge. And me say, and me and you down the road, because I go tell the man them.
No, John, we lose our him this, man. Him shame man right this, man. We not endorse that at all.
I couldn't believe. Me I say, but me know a man go back for. You know, yeah, fast car, what's gold streak?
Eh?
Me know a man go back for furniture.
Yeah, me know a man go back for furniture regular. We grew up with that a ghetto. A man I go back for furniture. Me know a man him buy one door for one woman who in there with, you know, and whatever, and him go there and knock on the door, you know. And goods in there with one different man, you know, and no one answer, you know what? Right? Because one man in there jump up in her belly, you know, and a shift her internal organs, all these things, you know, man, and the boss go here, you know, and knock. Me know your man in there, she knock up the door. My man just go for him tool, you know, man, and just screw off that, you know, and take it.
Me, mama.
Yeah, man, and take off him door, man. Take off him door. I left with him door. Big excitement in a tenement.
One man did do that to my friend, but I not do him take off, Raga.
Awa.
We live in a tenement yard.
Yeah.
And me don't know how the boy find out say I get bone. Cause the whole I mean at the yard didn't know in a Raga. But you know some man where you think I idiot.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
So the boy buy her some nice panties, you know. So she wash them and hang them up on the line and bun the whole of the old one them. Cause she say what I change
Yeah, new jars around the place, right? You
Raga,
know,
I
yeah.
don't know how the man here say she have a next man. Well, as she wash them and hang them up, the man take down everybody, Raga.
Well, big
Because-
see. No. Make a reason now. So when let us just say, Mr. Techie back them a careless man them. I even miss Techie back too, right? Let us say a carelessness them. But if a man buy a portion of dress for a woman, see? And she gonna make her next man a take it off and all them something. Probably the man all a bite up her pum through the jaws, the man all who knows what go on. Probably the man all a lean the jaws one side.
Raga
and
set the man set her up because she never get to put on one Raga. Tell her Raga. Me say she never get to put on one.
Put her none.
Alright, it's like, I'm show you a pre-Raga. It's like it's Saturday morning now, you know, you come from town, right?
Yeah.
You buy up your woman woolly pa panties and you know, so I Saturday woman do the big clean though.
Yeah.
So she a empty jar, everything say alright, she a wash, she a dash her where she a dash because she get a woolly pa new one now. So she saw it out and sit. Now me I look on the line and me I say, oh, them a nice man. Raga. When the girl done wash and the whole of we going at the house, cause you know woman like that, when the whole of we group up, we are gossip.
Yeah.
When we come back out, Raga, the line empty.
No, I'm set her up for true.
The boy take off everyone.
But hold on. Is it that him find out say she a bun him after him give her the drawers them?
Raga, me feel like he find out before, Raga. But you know, some man and the woman we sit down and talk and she me and tell him, say, babe, you know, say, me want change out them and man say, me have to find a way for do you back. It's not a boy we beat woman, you know.
Okay.
So him set her up that way there. Me say, Raga,
No,
I
yeah,
laugh till I
cause
nearly...
if him buy all the drawers them and then basically no say, because for those of you who are not Jamaican or from the Caribbean, I come up here, so I notice that people buy things and just put it on. Sheet, put it on. Underwear, only just put it on.
we not that in Caribbean.
Caribbean women don't do that. Anything buy, it have to wash first before it use. It's a thing in the Caribbean. It's a thing in Jamaica. Everything have to wash first before it put on. Particularly underwear. So he would have known that she have to wash them first. Right?
Me dear,
Yeah, he would have known. So it sounds to me like a setup for true.
Raga, the boy set her up. My love all the money where she forget. Me don't know how the boy knows she had the money, Raga. The money gone too.
Oh. No, man, I
Me
set
said
up
the
that.
boy 6 star good.
I set
Oh,
up
but
that.
me happy too because man, she go pick up on the boy, Raga. The boy walk close. At 2 underpants. Every time I see him, I shot 2 underpants go. No matter a line full of clothes, at 2 underpants.
I just 2 underpants.
So me like how a man set him up. The two of them, but the 2 of them are the same thing. So you not have no underwear, him have 2 underpants. You know borrow one of him.
So, what you mean she never have no underwear? You never say she dash her whole underwear.
No man, she dash them the way. So like how the boy take back the whole of the new one, them Raga. She not have no more.
Then she not no more. She have to go boy battery
And
a
then the
while.
boner man I just 200 pants. No matter you see line full of clothes, Raga 200 pants.
Well, the man when she a born him with is a 200 pounds boner man.
Yes, Raga. So
She just as bad too.
So that's how I said the boy fix her good Raga, the boy set her in her chap good Raga.
And the boy was set her up and thing and take back the panty them and whatever.
The boy have him things them Raga.
Well, him have a whole heap of underwear though.
But here, the boy no hear nothing but Polo and the Adidas and them the brand the Raga.
A lie.
Must say,
When
the
she
boy
careless,
fix her good.
she careless. If she left a polo underwear man, with a whole heap of underwear man for a two
Raga, but him
underwear
thing
man.
now work. She say him thing now work.
Oh well, it's a
Raga,
different
me I tell
matter.
the truth. You know what board those tenement yard, Raga. So any little thing I go around the next room you can't hear.
Yeah.
Raga sometimes me ba and them no hear not no more. And me count a minute in a Raga and no minute.
Okay, and you count and in reach a minute, no?
You know reach a minute. So sometimes I faster when she wake up the man. Now where that one? Yeah,
Oh,
I don't know.
him now wind up in it and edge it and slide it up and rub
No,
it up
Raga
and
look
top and
like him
bring it
work
back.
too hard. So when once him go on, him drop off. Him no stay up there.
No, I don't work too hard. It look like him don't even know if he get too hard.
Boy, I don't know but something wrong somewhere there, Raga.
Yeah.
But me shame though, cause she could have found a man with about 6 and a pant. You gone for 2?
Yeah. That not sound right. You left. Well, if the instrument not work, it not work. You know, I guess that the kind of rough part. Cause when the body call, and some woman I forget them jokings. You know, hey, talkie God truth. You sound like you understand them thing, yeah. Right? Me a old man now. Me I tell you have some woman, you know. You have some woman, you know, when them not get them start out, nothing of miserable and haunted like them, you know.
So Raga another man could have started out, but it 200 pants?
Well, me don't know she have to work with what she can get, and if 200 pounds, what if 200 pounds have a rotted piece of lumber there and thing and I put it on
No,
and
but have to sell the lumber, Raga, and buy a couple more underpants. It could work, because you can't imagine when the neighbor sit down and see wash the one line and clothes with 200 pants. Raga regular them chat the boy.
Listen to me. You can't say what you want to say. Me I tell you, say, when people get good work, everything relative. Me know a man,
That's why
me know a
me
man,
carry him out there, me yard can could have work.
me know a man who burn out woman left, right, and so she not that and get a 1 kill and when she boom it off on him and thing and whatever, him that over there regular hide and I go over there. You understand? Yeah? And the same thing with woman too. You have some woman them clown out man, grounds out man, style up man and whatever. And when them get a dickmatized body and thing like that, them humble. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, with a workless boy with a good dick. You understand? And a them that down a boy regularly and thing. And you must see they go through something like that too. So nobody tell
You know,
like,
that's why
when
they
they
them
young
out, why come at me yard, Raga, so me have to flush him out, Raga, and me have to flush you out, man.
Yeah, what you say? The boss could have gone with him thing now.
Me say the boy mad Raga to base me a boss.
What's he?
No, sir.
Yeah, that's something.
But when the boy come back for the food, me dead Raga.
No,
He can't go no further.
Yeah, I can't. No, I lose half of him this man. I say a word, man. All right.
But anyway, me can't make your people my laugh so much in a Raga. One more mix up and me run gone till the next day.
Yeah, send it.
So, you know, say when me a go to school, Raga, this is a long time do you know.
Mm-hmm.
My father, when me a walk with my father, I road Raga, me a Usain Bolt. Cause my father own a lot of bill in a Raga. You know what kind of bill me a talk?
Right.
So when I pass certain gate, if I the 3 step, if I make Raga half a step, so you know, so you have to step quick with him.
Yeah.
This woman will sell a school gate, see me and I call me. Come here, my stepdaughter. You know me and your father. So me I say, hey, my father live here with stepmother. I know my mother. So who you know? Me never gonna make sure no wise. I see next morning, Raga. Me say, you know, so my father say you must give me snack for the week. Him will pay you. Don't know my father I out already, you know.
Yeah.
So Raga, she feed me for about 2 weeks.
Yeah, your stepdaughter.
When she look now, my father, I'm glad me live with my granny too because he could have killed me if he never live with my granny, Raga.
Yeah.
So, About 2 weeks later, she see my father in a taxi, she ball out. Oh, I say you now come pay me a bill where you make your pitney make a me shop. So my father says, so how you know me pitney? So I never send me pitney to you. And me see her and call her my stepdaughter and she say, you say fi give her snacks. And at 2 weeks now, she a take snack. So my father say, no stepdaughter, you want stepdaughter, you get my love. Me no want you for nothing, because me never send him.
Whatever you running. Yeah.
Me, if I come on the evening, you know, but me see him come and look for me one particular way. Me jump and down my foot, you know, because I know exactly what's coming. So mama say, what you do? So me say, no, daddy, I want them girl see me a road, but me a stepdaughter. Me am down, she start for 2 weeks, my love. So daddy, hold the woman.
Yeah.
Raga, every time I go to school, me have to walk different road.
Oh, you mean, yeah.
Had the woman said for me, my love.
Yeah.
But me there for name down, she start for the 2 weeks. I enjoy my father, so I don't want to mind the pitney there.
The woman know the other style or whatever. She didn't name Nakita.
Boy, I don't know what she name in a Raga. Cause that, even that, me never care about. Me just know style full of whole heap of things with me like when me I go to school, so me there for name Raga.
That's right. You
Yes.
think you're easy. No,
But me there feared from me
she
papa do.
running. Because, me tell her now, she running. And the guy, yeah, what I like with her now. She don't know what is what, you know. And obviously, she knows say your father link the so and so, can live so and so and so and so.
Me dear?
What she going to you, I tell you about, I mean, you know, me and your stepmother, you're my stepdaughter and whatever. Like, you know, I run in and I come, like she want to come blow up the dog spot and whatever and thing like that. And she for go, man. Yeah, I'm glad you broke her foot. Yeah, I'm glad you broke her
Raga,
foot.
I know
Shot
say
too
I
much,
owe that
shot
woman
too
about
much.
7 grand Raga, but come and tell her say breakfast, lunch, and when me I go me and she have to give me something again.
She chat too much, man. She for
Baba.
take body and quiet.
Yeah, man, she have to face it.
All right. All right, that's say a word, you know.
So Raga, we come back another night and I go look food.
Please
Yes,
do.
my love.
Make sure you come
And
back.
chat big up on yourself. Who send me gift big up?
All right, proper thing, man. See,
All right.
Yeah, man, respect, man. People, no see how Mixup tell, I saw Mixup for tell. I saw Jamaican for tell Mixup. You understand? With vibes and sitting and whatever. Yeah, I saw Mixup for tell. Yo, this week on the calling with anything when we want calling, but we depend take it back Mixup. So she bring the topic there. She bring the topic and thing. Take it back Mixup, right? Take it back Mixup. Any Mixup where somebody give you sitting and take it back, right? And that's all the thing there, right? You know. Take it back Mixup. Take it back Mixup. And that's over there. That's over there. And come in with it. Anything or anything, right? Over there, Ragashanti live on the app. You understand? Let's go.
Hi, Raga.
Wagwan.
From people always listen to you, you know.
I like you tell, for real.
I swear to God, I remember there was an episode one time when this lady had talked about stew peas. I wish you knew the stew peas. Forget the sitting sato. I mean, I said, what? Them trying to be a little bit, I don't know.
I don't know
But
what
I
I'm
love the mix up. But I don't know.
I'm me grow no. Una me pick me, I'm me grow no. Okay.
My last name was Stewart.
I don't know if I call me Master Raga. I'm put some
But
respect
you used to
on
walk
my name.
and tell people, say, I'm an uncle, because your last name was Stewart, and my last name was Stewart. So
That's
say, I'm
right,
an
we're
uncle.
family, yeah,
I'm
Master
an
Raga.
I never did little mix up to it. I said,
No.
that's not true. I should uncle.
see the gift.
Well, I'm not a mix up for share right now.
No,
Just see how me I say, all right, this is an opportunity.
Yeah, man, I love the little energetic endorsement and thing and whatever, man. Blessings, man. The little big up and thing and acknowledgement. Love and blessings. You hear?
Yeah, all these years you still look good, Raga. You still look young.
Me don't know about that. Me don't know about that.
No, man.
My whole and
Raga,
mash
but I
up.
know about you really look young. You look nice.
No, my old and mash up. Me a old man up in my 50s. No 50s, no. You know, me a old man. Been there, done that. Chill, me a chill now, you know? Chill,
All
me
right.
a chill now. All right, respect here. Cool.
Yeah, man, big up.
Protection. Cool. I'm telling you, you know, me grow now, you know. Right? So I don't want to look at carelessness, nobody enough for come. You see all some man with this raga thing and Ray, Mass Raga, Mr. Raga, right? And that's all the thing there. Right? Put some respect for my name. Me a old man for no for no. Okay. And me grow no. All right. Watch you ride, we juggle. We love the energy in the evening, yeah, and thing, you know. What this is one you know, what you know. I'm most shady them the school gate. Hello.
Hello.
Eh?
What my old fun?
Huh? So me
What
say somebody come in with a mix up your boy, you may have to ask then a Nakita, the woman didn't name. Eh? Eh?
me area no me a drive, but me area.
Go see where you are there, where you hear it, you know. Come and know you there, you did that there. Now so I'm to that dirty man, yeah,
Mr. Raga, you over here dead, you know, cause they take it back drives them. So Raga, me ask that question. For the man them know what take back the drives them. What then do with them? Because seriously, right? Some of them new kind of fair cases said the drives them new, right? But
right.
one to them one them what we know say the drives them never knew and the woman them wear it. What the man do with the drives them? But I like to know they my
Burn
one them
them.
call it
Burn them. Do you are you able to understand how trouble it? You're there by your car phone, though.
oh hold on.
Yeah, drive.
Yeah, yeah, hold on.
Mm.
Just 1 minute.
Men I think couldn't understand how frustrated it is, you know, for man, you know, for no say man buy, you know, world of
You hear
quality.
me better now?
Yeah, me I hear you better now. Men I think couldn't understand for you know, some man buy on a world of dress. We not talk about no tapping on a blouse, you know, we not talk about no skirt and thing. We talk about dress, you know. Worse if a proper dress, you know, if a sort out dress, you know. And man buy one of them something there. I wanna go and make my next man take off his drawers them.
But Raga, what we not do with the drawers them? We know we not bun them. So we want to do package them and give one next man. Me curious, you know. Me want somebody want one of them take it back money and call in. Cause me curious bad.
Well, me not do it, but me I say, you for understand, say it a go bun a man, right? It's a different thing if you get one look a pocketbook or one door or a chair or
But,
sitting or
but
whatever.
why the But Raga, why the drawers though? The man don't take off the drawers already and all of that. Why the drawers? Why are you so particular about the drawers?
Alright, you know, remember I tell people say when me come a foreign, when me just come a foreign, long time, decades now. When me come a foreign and look at dugu I go on and I say, man, just take off them jars quick. It kind of throw me off, you know. Because in a Jamaica, it changed now still. It changed now. Cause I'm not know for woman, man. But in a Jamaica, as always the man a take off the jars, you know.
Right.
It's a thing where we as Jamaican man love. There's nothing where when that sometimes I look woman a play stubborn and you hold the jaws and she wind up in and you take time to dry it off and thing and she going like she don't want it come. Them thing they sweet, you know. And if anyone say next man I go take off the jaws where you buy. No man, them thing they burn you man. I want to you, my girl.
But what you gonna do with the drawers, Raga? It done wear. It done wet up from the other man where wet up our front already. So what am I gonna do with the
Me no
drawers?
know. Some of them must go smell it or something. Me no know. Me not do that. But me I say them from when me hear the man them who take back jars, them say them go burn it. Cause man take
Lie them a tell.
you have man
Them
who
probably
say
all go sniff it and all kind of shit. Now lie them a tell. Raga, lie them a tell.
no, but
A souvenir.
you have
Lie.
Jamaican man say that man say, yo, that she can't keep anything. She can't keep anything. But me I take back the jars. She can't keep anything and whatever. Right. That's why I'm not buying a jars woman because you know you can't trust them woman. Yeah. Me love buy jars woman.
Well, like me said, me not see the point in that. But anyways, whatever float them boat. But me want somebody call in and say them bun the drafts if true.
All
Cause
right.
me think they do it as souvenir.
All
Them
right,
keep it.
men who have done that before, you hear the lady calling, and if you have had occasions to take back draw some woman who you give because she violate, call in and tell me what you do with the jars. The caller here want to know what you do with the jars when you take it back. So Gold Street deal, if you know say you are one of them take it back jars, man, there and thing, give you a call and tell me what you do with the jars. Okay.
But and also, Raga, you know, so when sis and Tarsha did that talk, right?
Yeah.
But I watched this thing the other day. You know, me driving up, so me always I listen. So the other day, me I listen to one of them crime show upon YouTube, man. The woman pretty much I know the FB people them can't lock up the woman in a raga. The woman used to take care of the man. The woman get the house from the man. The man dead, she become the POA and one bag of things in a raga. Now mind you, you know when them people that lock you up, you're supposed to stay lock up.
Yeah.
Raga, I know they can't lock up you, man. They can't charge her. And she get
Why?
the because they can't prove say she killed the man.
Yeah,
Forget the house.
as she, oh, how long she did that take care of the man?
Couple years along with the wife
Oh, and
and the family that are contested. The
well,
family was
the
contested,
wife,
but the family
the
never.
wife alive,
Yes.
and the man supposedly left everything to she.
So the wife is alive, but the wife she started looking after the wife first, right? That's how she met the husband, but the wife not too right up in the top part. The wife of dementia. So when basically according to the story, the family never visit at all. They never visit 2, 3, 4, 5 years. They didn't visit.
Oh, that
So
yeah.
yeah. And you know all them see when the man died of stroke. And it was a whole thing because how come she turned power of attorney and one bag of stuff. I was just fascinated because I know they lock up a woman and if you release the woman and the man go retry her again because they can't prove say one. I know she killed the man. I don't think that she intentionally killed the man dead of stroke, whatever. But she was a POA and it was just crazy how the whole thing went down.
For those of you who don't know, POA is power of attorney. So it's a person who has the legal right to decide everything about the deceased property and finances and things like that. But but how old was the man?
I don't remember. I was just listening it,
Okay.
while driving. I don't remember, but it was a older man and he had stroke, and she was the one who made the decision in the hospital and everything like that. And then one bag of story raga. Me could believe that the woman get the house. The house she got the house, and the family, the children, them were upset about it. And she said she don't know what to tell them, and them couldn't. Them have her there for hours, of course,
Well,
and them couldn't prove it.
unless they can prove that it was done, when the husband wasn't of sound mind and wasn't in charge of his faculties, unless they can prove that, or it was done under the legal term is duress, unless they can
Yes,
prove
right.
that and whatever. If them can't prove that, just to like preserve the integrity of the law, you can't
Mm-hmm.
take it from her based on your suspicion or on a whim, because then you're opening a
Mm-hmm.
precedent there that you're going to need to apply to everything else. So unless them
Right.
can't prove it, then can't take it from her.
Raga, me did listen to the whole couple hours well. And when me tell you, so by the end of the show, me think that them da lock up the woman and charge the woman. Them lock her up, but then find her guilty, and then the case is still going on. Them a go retry. But that's just crazy. She got the house and she said, I don't know what to tell you. I mean, the man say, I may forget this, I may forget that, and that was it. So I just one of them
If
thing that
them
thing still.
can't prove it, there is a standard called the preponderance of evidence. So even
Mm-hmm.
if them can't prove it, if they could come up with
Hi,
a
Grace.
whole bunch of circumstantial evidence that would make the court say, based on this body of related circumstantial evidence, it is unlikely, it is more unlikely that the person would have give you the power of attorney. And that is the only way them can beat her, if them can't prove it.
Well, good to get a nice, awesome things and just live our life.
But if the wife's still alive and in another sound mind and things, so
She's not of sound mind.
so they must go take your wife out of the house and go on with the house then and put the wife aside, though.
I don't remember if the wife died, but at that time, the wife was still there. Because I remember, no, the wife didn't die at the time because the wife, according when the police ever asked her, so why the wife never make them the decision, the outcomes you want make it. She was
Exactly.
like, well, I don't know what to tell you. Me call her and she tell me, say, this, me want me to take him out for life support.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So,
Before you go, you know Irie FM, right?
Yes.
And you know, it's IRA FM, like overall, you know, IRA FM is the most successful radio station in Jamaica. Did you know that?
I did not, but I know it's
All right.
very popular,
Yeah, man.
big
Millions
station.
upon millions upon millions upon millions. So the original owner, IRA FM, left it, give him son. And him son now did have one, I think it was like a little secretary or thing, or accountant and whatever. And then the
Mhm.
son drop out, and then the woman said, him, she, him, the son left it to, the son left the IRA FM to. Big something in Jamaica, you know.
Oh
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah, and the family and move and things. See, somebody say Chad Young. Yeah. Big something in Jamaica and thing. Anyway, big up yourself, you know, my friend, all right?
All right, later.
Yeah,
Good
man,
night,
protection, man.
sisters. All right, bye.
One Naki
Bye.
B and the alligator, them. Oh. All right. Well, they are juggling now. Well, they part take it back mix up or any other mix up one have. Take it back mix up or any other mix up one have. Somebody will give you something and take it back and thing, right? Any other mix up one have one of just come in and just make you know what go on. I go down the line. People me so know. So the request them are going down the line. Are going down the line. Greetings. Zodi.
Hey.
Good girl Zodi. Where I go on, my friend?
Hey.
All is well.
All is well. Hold on, how many?
Yeah, they up in the box, man. I want me to.
What is man so reach up in the box?
Me don't know that you come up and me can't pull on up unless you come up in the box.
No, sir, I'm not touch nothing for go up in a no box.
Yeah, I saw you don't wanna touch things and when they come up on go on like I never wanna touch it and make it come up. Don't.
No, sir. Because I am not a talkative person, so but I touch go up in a no box.
Nah, touch nothing come up in a box and thing.
All right, we love listen.
You love listen. All right, yeah. Zoe didn't say a word, you know, all right?
All right.
Yeah, man, bless up.
All right.
People do remember, say this Thursday show and every Thursday show after that is over. Big yard. This Thursday show and every Thursday show from this week forward is over Big Yard. So make sure, say, on a register over Big Yard if you can watch a show them over Big Yard. TamFamBigYard.com. 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 TamFamBigYaad. Right? All right. TAM. Angie, me will look on your thing because you have no phone on me. You see what day when me check out some other thing, una make all kind of mistake and not access on account over there. Some of no know a password. Some of have more than one account. Some of use one different name. I forgot some use a different name for Big Yard and all them some of that. Cause when me check all of them, who come up and think, hey, everybody did over there and thing. People never balance up them things. Angie Melo. Make sure. So if you not watch right now and you not register over Big Yard yet, make sure so it's free. It's free. You just get an email address and a username and thing and you join for free. TamFamBigYard.com, and when you go over there, you go in at the theater. It's called Big Yard Theater. Right? Big Yard Theater. When you go in a Big Yard, you will see the banner for Big Yard Theater. You go over Big Yard and you'll see the screen. And over there we have the Thursday show them, right? Right? See? So make sure you on a register because every Thursday show are gonna be over Big Yard. Tell you now again. Every Thursday show I go over Big Yard. See? All right. See all Mango come here now, and Missy Mango register over Big Yard. Mango self me finally reach.
Hello, Ragashanti.
Hello, Mango. Hello, Mango. You're East India Mango or you're Julie Mango or Erie Mango? Which one?
No, man, you're sick with the East Indian type member saying,
Okay, you're Top Mango.
Yeah.
Right, you're Top Mango. Christina Brown
Top
Sugar.
mango.
Christina Brown Sugar, Erie Mango, you know. Yeah, East India
No,
Mango.
no, 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 no. My friend Julie. My
What
friend
is it,
Julie.
Christina, big up your Julie Mango self, no? All
Yeah,
right.
man, no, man, my girl Julie. She loyal, man.
You
I
see,
love
oh, you
Christina
mean
Brown Sugar.
loyal to the max, yes, I'm a charge you that,
Loyal to
man.
the max, you feel me? So, ladies like that, me get rated still. You
So,
know me, tan.
where go a mango?
Boy, what did I go on back in the days where the man them did that tear off? Well, me no know, I mean tearing about them used
Yeah.
to tear your drawers.
That is fun, but some woman choose to she can't do that with. But no, no man, when you tear up. By the way, women like Taki got you mango. You never like it.
Lord of God, you me I tell you something I call it reminisce I hear the girl and me I say, hey, you think of that you used to get tear off drawers. You
Well,
feel me?
no, my corona, a look thing. All of the ladies who at least 1 point, one time, a man tear off a drawers off of you, just say me, right? All ladies who at least one time a man tear off a drawers off of you, me. Watch it, I'll spiritually blessed that happened to rotted.
Oh
See
my
that?
gosh, oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
Miss Fabulous, Urshipai, Anastasia, Munchi 441, and thing and
Mad.
whatever, Marcia Goodas. See there, what a woman. Yeah, that nice. All right, watch out now. All right, stop now. All right, no, stop now. All of the woman them who a man never yet tear drawers off of you. Say me. If a man never yet tear drawers off of you, say me. All right. Let me see where I go on. Spiritually blessed, not nice. All right, let me see. Oh, God.
Oh God.
Mm-mm.
Say it ain't so.
Where Carolee get cut off jars. That count. Oh, God, Mango, you know, say you have some woman, your man never yet tear jars off of them yet.
Oh no.
Oh, God.
Oh God. Oh no, I miss out. Oh no, I miss out on a thrill. All the bite up in her back. And all the things there.
All what?
Bite up in her back. You bite in the back of your neck there. So
Hold on. So when the man bite in your back, what did that happen this?
We did do the back shot.
Okay. And him just raise you up and bite you up, don't?
I tell you, him do like a jacket thing. Like me up on the bed. And the man just come up like a jacket, like a ass him a deal with, man. And just bite me in my back in and just, the bite like, it just nice with the nibble all the way down the spine.
Yeah, man. No, man.
And me I said, yeah, God.
No, man. Look here, man. Biting nice, man. Man. Yeah, nibble bite, you know?
Nibble bite.
Yeah,
just
nibble
nibble all over, you know what I mean?
but sometimes hours beat when I ride speed and thing, you can kind of sink in and make it bite, kind of, you know? Yeah, like a nice little healthy at the right time, too. That is what I have read.
Yeah, of course, and he was taller than me, so you understand me. He took full advantage of the opportunity.
No, but if he's taller than you, that don't mean him did have to bend over and curl up to bite you then.
Yeah, I mean tall up in a tree, Raga. Just a little, you know what I mean? Yeah, your height or something. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So, but you like when man tear off drawers off for you, don't?
Yeah, man, I don't want to boring. As me tell you, me not a bed here for night time, but
yeah, man.
Me and you there, woman, thing out the door we are go.
And to the people in America who get sensitized to certain things, don't misunderstand it. We're not talking about no essay and no borderline. I know that's something there. I know.
No.
Yeah, because I know some women don't really understand what's going on and them hear that and them think violence and aggression and whatever.
No, darling. No. It's passionate. It's
passionate, man, when things nice and thing and whatever.
Just the arousal and it's kind of a foreplay thing, man. Because, some people not do foreplay and just going out. No. You have to do the foreplay and me dress up like a little, maid or something, or with me stocking. Why them days they did nice back?
Me, you do the black and white maid costume with the black
Yes,
stocking and white
darling.
stocking and
Yes. And
boy.
I,
I heal.
yeah.
And you been overnight and do something to. You been overnight and do something to. And in
He
the
said,
back.
"Turn my panties on. That's
Okay.
how I like it."
Yeah, and when the boss goes and grab it up, you just straighten up and say, not yet, you're too rude, and slap him on
You
down.
understand me? You do a little teasing thing. You do a little teasing thing.
Jeez and peace, the one Christina and Dr. Mac don't know about them some of them, you know. Them don't know about
And then,
them. Teach them, man, go teach them.
and then when if you spite me back,
Yeah.
I mean, I'll take out the thing and beat me upon the thing, say, and just like put it in and
Yeah,
take it
but
out and beat
it's
it
a
back.
kind of way name the beat, though. Yeah, just take it out and just slap you upon it, though.
Yeah, one.
Yeah.
I
Oh,
said,
your voice sounds so. Oh, your voice sounds so.
Come here, member.
Memories don't leave like people do. No, Mango. No, Mango, you go back a while ago, Mango, a while ago,
Look
you
here,
did dead,
visually,
Me say you did
everything.
dead a while ago, Mango. You did it right there. Mango, you did a
What
feeling, but
is
it
it
was...
right there? Put
Mango,
it
you
on
did
the
a
edge. Put it
feeling
on
when the
the edge.
boss take it out and slap it on it and this and that. No, Mango, you did a feel everything a while ago. Everything you did a feel a while ago. Everything. You laugh. You're sweet.
Oh God. Yeah.
Mango, are you okay?
Nostalgia take me.
No, man, Mango, you remember something, them, man.
Yo,
Mango, you
what me
remember
tell you?
something, man. The man slap up your East
God.
Indian mango,
Look here,
though.
man. One mango, I thank you, I thank God, whatever. I thank for the life I can reminisce. You feel me? Yeah,
You
man.
see, no, man, just to tear off, Mango.
Yeah, man, just tear off,
Let me tell you
man.
something what we men enjoy. Well, I've read. But let me tell you,
Here we are
it's
got the
like
life
you and
we
the
know.
woman,
One.
you say, I like the first time it happened. Like you and her a juggle and thing and whatever. You know, look a romance thing and whatever. And you did it and thing and whatever. And she go on. You see, the first time you tear a woman jaws and the shock will come in her face, like, that look, they like, what the hell? But it's a look with shock, with like excitement and anticipation.
Yes, that's everything in a one.
Yeah, and worse if you do it like a man and she can feel a look of vulnerability there and a look of softness around you because you take charge now and a tear off that. That turn we on, man.
Look here, man.
That turn we on, when we see that shot there in face and say, yeah, I got you. You know what I mean? That turn we on, man.
Another wickedest thing. I know another wickedest one me get. Yo, we say we are go, fly out and come a Jamaica and him go at the hotel and, me I go meet him at the hotel and thing.
Yeah.
And when time I reach, I didn't want police and just handcuff me on the thing this at the door, You know where you hang your coat or something when you just come in.
Yeah.
And just deal with the thing, God.
Well, no, Mango, in bad. What you say when you come in, as soon as you step in and thing, he must have police. And him just handcuff you right at the closet right there, so don't.
Just cuff me right at the closet, man.
I make you bend over the and start send it up down.
Jurisdiction. What?
And that they just excite you because it's unpredictable. It's you just never expect it.
never expect that. I
Mad.
Spoil me for man. It spoil me so man. Come here and say, isn't you all boring, man? Me look at you and I say, Jaja, my auntie call me if you have an emergency. I'm gone,
when the man them boring down.
Boring wine. Nah.
But when squaddy handcuff your thing and say bend over and you in that different jurisdiction, and start send it up upon you and thing or whatever.
No, man, the next thing one jacuzzi in the thing cause him cleansing and say, why you going at the jacuzzi? Because that's just the foreplay and do the finger and thing like that in the living room. I start out the living room.
Yeah.
And after the starting out in the living room, I'm relaxes a bit. Him put on, the jacuzzi on Knoxville Avenue. We can tell Uptown Kingston with the day Oh, I'm saying I'm going to the
Where the
jacuzzi
avenue
and
name? Knoxville Avenue, Uptown.
I
Uptown.
something like so for
Yeah.
Kingston. You know, so
Yeah.
when I
Oh,
know
yeah.
the
All
thing
right.
like
Yeah.
that. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. I
Yeah.
want a hotel up there, so.
Mm.
And me say jacuzzi is in a room and wow, I went into the jacuzzi and bubble up and thing and girl come out nice and fresh and thing and smelling good, like a nice East Indian mango. You ever taste a East Indian will smell nice yet or something it smell. Oh hell, did I go back reminiscing?
Mango, the nice East Indian, the mango, I saw you that smell.
Like the perfume said, lick me all over.
No, it's a mango. Go mango, go see when him just eat up the East Indian mango down.
Lord Jesus, them like a Jamaican man and know to do it. Oh my God. And he was so tender. If never they are rush thing and I bite up the thing. Some man things I bite if I bite it up. No. I mum it up.
No,
You feel
East
me?
Indian, when you have a nice sweet East Indian, if you just suck it off, properly, you see what I say?
Lord, who tell you Raga you didn't read it?
No, me read it. I read it. None of us read it after a while. No must read it.
You don't know what you're talking about, but I like to take the Fifth Amendment right now.
Yeah, right. But yeah, I know. So well I Oh, mango. Says no, something that makes sense,
Yeah,
You remember the first TamFam get together where we go?
You wicked and so you could have bring that up.
No, well on. You remember what happened upon the first TamFam get together?
Yes, Raga. I mean, know how me reach this, Raga.
People, me go tell you our business because I'm a little gangster friend, so I know say she know
I'm
mine.
to tell you.
People, know say every year we have a TamFam get together, and I'm a rent one big mansion Airbnb down in Orlando and a bunch of we just hang out and we cook and we joke and whatever.
Oh my God,
So we always have summer with a pool and jacuzzi. So people, know, say we're dead and whatever. Mango just take time, go out and go in a jacuzzi by herself and over there and we're not pay her no man. Got the whole of we in the house and some people, chicken a grill, steak a grill, big cooking Anthony and them a cook.
Domino a
play, all kind of sitting. Mango over there in a jacuzzi by herself. People, hear her now, so she lively and vibesy. Mango always lively and vibesy. It's just naturally her, naturally her. It's a natural eye. So I notice a Mango over there quiet. In a jacuzzi, quiet. Then not only she quiet when me look, Mango in a jacuzzi so like she down in a jacuzzi and her hand spread out so and her head cut back. So I said, no man, I wonder if she alright. People know say man, cause the jacuzzi, I forgot to tell her, the jacuzzi have a whole heap of bubble up. So
yeah, you ever tell us how we used to?
Yeah. So know say Mango position upon when I bubble up sitting but yeah.
No, Raga, it's my body.
Yeah. So she depend one of them, And when me take time go over, and me just see the thing, me see Mango like them stairs, so the thing bubble up right on the Mango. And Mango, me say Mango, Jesus Christ, how long you watch me? God,
I'm kind of gone off in my own world and everybody.
If I tell you, I see you were surely in a world because the jacuzzi did a fix you. The jacuzzi did a fix you, that bubble.
Oh my God.
People shall sit up on one eye bubble, the bubble is something max, I mean, I don't know what the bubble I do to her, but I roll over in her head.
You know, see, I'm frightened when you come with the camera because I was gone.
You know, see somebody in the chat said that's sweet. So them know how I go on, man.
Yeah, man. We were getting nicely massaged.
Yes, indeed. Anyway, man, go big up yourself and a good for your
Yeah, man,
voice, you know.
Raga, it's
You
a
don't know,
pleasure.
just know
Thank
some
you
man
for
love you
all
and
of the
rate you, you know.
memories.
Okay,
Eh?
just know some man love you and rate you. You're TamFam
How you mean,
foundation.
Mango don't love you and rate you the same way,
You
yo?
see it,
And you
blessings.
grow me, you know, but you grow each other. You understand me? I'm not going to call you a mass Raga, I'll call you me G, you feel me?
It got some man, see it? Straight.
Yeah, man.
All right. Yeah,
Alright.
man.
Christina, big up yourself. And big up the spray them queen. I mean, you know, say the anthem. Them no fee man Raga.
Yeah.
Me I read the chat and me I said Judge and God, Mama Ants really hypnotize the people. Then big up yourself to Miss Anastasia.
No, but people,
yeah.
a mango give we the scare them spray them crew our name, you know, people. A mango name
Yeah,
way.
man.
So just know
Yeah,
that, you
see,
know.
they are coming to our, we have to spray some, we have to
Yeah.
spray some ants. No disrespect, Anastasia, because I love you, you feel me, and Christina, and other people too, but, you know, just to stand out right now.
No, well,
Let's
mango,
talk
mango.
about this,
What the talk where your boss? You remember the talk where your boss? You know,
No,
remember?
the talk.
I'm not gonna boss
No,
it right now. How long me make my boss it, man?
All right, go on, go on.
All right.
Now presenting the master of spray them crew.
No. Just tell me
Ragashanti.
something for boss the talk where you boss. So give me the intro.
Bust the talk for my boss. Bust
No,
it,
give me a
sister,
nice
bust it.
intro. Give me a nice intro. Come, give me a nice intro for boss the
All
talk
right.
where you boss. Yeah. Give me a nice intro.
We are the champions of TamFam.
So give me
And here go Raga gonna bust the chat mango say.
All right, then
go
we go.
on with it now.
Yay, spray! People,
Oh my God! How could I forget that? Yay, spray!
it me connect with you, kind of me and say then that, but you'd have to be there, cause
there at the time in the moment.
people, you see, mango thing come in like my thing. I don't know where you rehearse and plan. It just come natural.
No.
It just come natural.
It's just in a way.
And at the time when Mango had cheer for Mango was just like, yay, spray. One SDC spray them crew. You see?
I'll need to tell you, big up with self, yes.
Yo,
yes.
You know, see one of the ANC them at Delmarine in the chat about boring Lakawa. ANC.
That's all right. That's all right. It's okay. It's not for everybody, you know, darling. It's not for, our crew is not for any and anybody.
Right.
Okay?
Right.
Stay in your league. Yeah.
Right.
All right, Ragashanti, I'll talk to you later.
All right, Mike. I love you, Mike.
Big up yourselves. Me love you more and more so like a nice East Indian mango.
Man, blessings.
Blessings,
Cool.
my friend.
Yeah, man, cool. Mango a sample, you know. Yeah. Watch your ride, you know. Go see what I go on, you know. Yeah, let's go. No, then I want to make issue nicer tonight. I want to make issue nicer tonight. Go see what I go on there, so. Hello.
Raga.
What's up?
Good night, Raga.
Good night to you. A good night to you.
Yeah. Come figure. Yes. They figure one joke.
Yeah.
Not even one joke, one story.
Yeah.
But one man I used to talk to him. I'll be here.
See it.
All right. Me know as a younger girl, me live at Mobile. So, me used to in the dancing world.
Yeah.
Me used to dance, right?
Yeah.
They had a club and me dance. Meet one man they know the night. Meet one man like me everything. You know, want me dance. But Raga, every time the man have me a yard, no want me dance, stop me from the club. Every night now, me the home, him gone back at the club. Gone by front at the same. Yes, gone by front now at the same club where he stop me from work, you know. All right. Anyway, as a matter of fact, he can take care of me everything, but he give on hard.
Oh.
That boy we buy whole heap of drawers and whole heap of clothes. Whole heap of clothes give me. So every time now I find out saying give on, I give back bun too. One. Every time I give on, I give back bun too.
Right.
You know, so one night the boy catch me. Boy give me some ass back, sissy, but Raga, you got me.
box me up.
Wow.
That me have one I panty there when buy give me. You go tear off the drawers, you know. When my sister's liquor take me now, me start fake asthma.
Well on.
That
So,
time me there on
well on.
Mobile Street, you know, me start fake asthma now.
Well on, him a box you up on the street and thing and whatever. So what you say him do? Him take off your drawers? Eh?
Tear off your drawers, tear off your body off of me, tear it off.
On the road?
And I beat me up, so I start fake asthma.
Hold on, you have to listen to me.
If
Hold
police.
on. You have to listen to me when you talk to me.
Yes, no, in drive, but
You have to listen to me when you talk to me here. Him a box you up and when him a box you up, him tear off your drawers off of your pan the road in the main road. Jesus and peace. Go on, talk.
Yeah.
Yeah, go on, talk. Hold on, do me a favor. Hold on, do me a favor. Hold on, stop. No, hold on, stop. Listen, let me tell you what happened. You listen to the show up on something else, here. Don't do that, because it delayed. Here?
No, I'm not listening for nothing else.
But you get it delayed.
I bathroom me in. All
right, but go on, talk. You're not talking, no? Well, something I don't know. Something that go on with our connection there. Yeah, some people that say a signal, but probably our internet or thing like that. Yo, some man dangerous with that something there, you know, man. When them go for take back this and take back that for a woman and whatever. I man, him do their box her up and then go take her. But... Yo, what go on? I was sweet, you.
How did you just take it back? That's sweet. Which man could buy my panty and take it back? Don't fucking man.
What you mean? Then if the man come in yard and take back your panty, then what you going to do and take back your drawers?
I buy my own panty. No man don't buy panty for me.
What? Some man never buy drawers for you?
No, man don't buy no drawers for me. I don't want no man buy those drawers for me.
A man never buy drawers and bring it again and say wear that tonight because that man want you wear tonight. Cause so and so. You never have something there, eh?
No.
A man never buy lingerie with you and say, yo.
I say, no man don't buy no nothing for me. You hear?
A man never buy lingerie again and say, this morning you wear Friday night when I come and whatever.
I say, no. Hey, right. Anyway.
Somehow no day you chat one bag of sit down and I live no life, you know. I can't believe say a woman like you, a man never buy lingerie and give it to you and tell you, say, wear this tomorrow night or something like so or whatever.
No man don't buy nothing for me. Until I have a bite myself. Anyways, I take back my virginity from the man. That's the only...
Oh, God.
I take back the good virginity from the man that is mistaken back.
You see?
Yeah.
Well, you see the woman, them a beat you and I say, you are...
They could have beat me all they want. I say, no, I don't man, they could have said what they want.
Right?
I see it.
Wait, there's somebody that said, me get one pack of panty and me did afraid for wear it.
Exactly. No panty from no man. Next thing they tie up my front. Me.
They say them going to give you Obia drawers though.
Oh, no time. Wait, next thing they get the good and they want to knock it down. No.
So you not take no chance with that guy and whatever, cause he might go Obia the drawers and tie your front down.
You can hold on my front. No. I can't give it to nobody else. Straight up with your pants.
No, underwear and lingerie if you buy for woman. Hey, when back in the day, you know, man, when me go up in a Vicky, you know, man, me very involved, you know. No hide and whatever, you know. Me talk to them. Hey, me want that color and this, me like this and that and whatever. Ray. All kind of something and whatever. What? Yeah, man. But you like lingerie though and nice panty though, right?
I like nice panty. I stop with thong. I don't wear thong anymore. My bumsy get big. So thong don't fit in me as it's supposed to. You don't tell me wrong.
No, but hold on. Me know you get round up and thing, but what me I say is then at that time thong nice too. Like
I don't know. I just don't like it anymore. I just wear some nice cut panty that shape you out nice and thing, but I don't like
Oh.
anymore.
So what you
I
wear?
find tongue was for when I was.
What you wear? You wear sexy panty or bingo baggy you wear?
I wear sexy panty out but bingo which bag.
May I
I wear
ask?
nice sexy panty with nice cut. You know
When
there's
it's
that
a
cut
nice cut,
right.
cut cross the bottom, like cross with the bottom.
Yeah, and
Okay,
you make that V right.
All right,
yeah.
yeah. But like what? Lace or cotton? What your favor? What?
Both lace,
Both.
cotton, yeah.
Yeah. But cotton more comfortable for now as usual, correct, right? In general.
But the lace does be nice, but you see when I pull the lace with those long lace, it does rip sometimes. But me like it, I went to get a rip and I sleep with them.
What you mean?
I don't sleep bad, so all my leg open.
What you say about your leg open? What?
Yeah, I just sleep with my leg open.
You sleep with your leg open?
With my leg open. Yeah.
So you're not afraid the duppy them come through the portal?
But well, anything the duppy come getting is good thing, you know. So hey. Oh God!
No, but hold on. Cotton more comfortable than lace, though, don't?
I wear cotton based on what I wear. When I wear jeans, I wear cotton. When I wear nice looking sexy dress, I wear lace.
Yeah, but cotton more comfortable than lace, don't?
True.
In general, I'm asking.
Yeah, in general it is.
In general.
Because sometimes some of them, according to what some of them make, according to what you wear, scratch you too, you know.
Some people. But lace sexier than cotton, though.
But lace sexier than cotton.
Of course, right.
Especially if you put on a nice black lace and you have nice, good looking nanny like mine. Tell him.
Stop.
I know. Anyway.
They say black.
Hello, Tam.
Black, white, and red lingerie. Me don't know that them three color there is like, you know, people don't know.
Yeah, white.
But
especially on dark skin.
Yeah, you can't lose with them three color there. No care what your complexion, you can't lose with them three color there. Black, white, and red and thing. And then under that, now you have your blues. Yeah, that blue have to come right there. So, some woman in this brown thing. Brown is not a sexy color.
No, brown lingerie.
Brown is not a sexy color. Right?
Yeah, especially for panty.
Yes, some man on the leg out the dash on the brown panty, man. We're not gonna do anything. We don't wear
green,
brown.
I like that grass green too. It have a nice
grass green.
Yeah. That's why I buy a kind of nice green panty.
No, the lighter green, the lighter green for lingerie, the lighter green, not the grass green. The lighter pink bad. Pink with yellow trim, but with the yellow trim, you know what? Full yellow, it's all right, but full yellow is not necessarily, unless, you know, full yellow. But you see like a yellow trim with a pink or a blue or so and so, that bad. You see like all that yellow, yeah, and that blue, yeah. And them, yeah, that yellow, yeah, pamels and that blue, yeah, what. Somebody said leopard print, big up on yourself because I know I love it, but the animal thing, you know.
I don't like leopard print.
I don't like animal something. I don't like the animal.
I don't like no animal print.
I don't like no animal print. Them not do nothing for me, you know, but I don't like the eat them.
I don't like it too.
Them not excite me. Animal print.
No, they don't excite me either.
And a whole heap of women love them, you know. A whole heap of women love them.
Yeah, I realize.
I don't like animal print. Ladies, I know the ladies out there, if me out the book up and I look at ends and we're going to go out there, we're going to hide and do and look at jokings. Don't come with the animal print because I'm going to change my mind. I'm going to change my mind.
Anyways.
Yeah, if you roll up in your jaguar print and your tiger print
and your leopard print and your zebra and print cheetah. And snakes.
No, hold on. This zebra not too bad, you know.
No, I don't like them.
If it's not too heavy and thing. But
all the snake skin shoes and alligator. I don't like them and alligator belt. I don't like them.
No, I'm not really into animal print. Man.
And all this fur. I don't know. I just like my thing plain and sexy, yeah.
Red mesh, blessed child, you know what you're talking about. You know what you're talking about right there, so, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, you see all them look at something, them look at sheer thing there, and then look at stuff and crotchless this and that. Yeah, them thing the body, you know.
Anyways, thank you all the time from that wish me happy birthday on Saturday.
Well, I said that was your birthday. Jeez and peace.
I'm a Leo. You never know.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, I'm a Leo. And I was so sick with migraine. Migraine have beat out me nastiness. I sat on bed for 2 days with migraine, you know. I tell you.
It's
I don't do a
sort of
thing.
good for migraine though.
Yeah, maybe I need a little jukins for real, you know.
Right. But the
So maybe
sort
that would
of
release some of me headache.
yeah, release some of your headache. I hope you go and we look at something and thing, you know.
You know, I tell you, I lie down in my bed for the whole 2 days for the weekend. The body was Saturday and Sunday I lay in my bed. This morning I get up and go to work.
You never
I'll
get no
drink
fix
pure
up?
coconut water.
You never get look
No,
fix up?
nothing. Couldn't handle it. Me, they hurting me too much, man.
Then but so you nothing?
Not a thing.
Well,
get back the tightness,
get back the tightness and that. When I see Veronique, but listen to this. And listen if this makes sense now. Hear what she say. I have a leopard, black and white with frill on top of my ass back cut out, and it's sexy, but I rather marry. What is wrong with that statement, Sonia? There is something wrong with that statement.
I don't even know.
Listen, let me read it back again.
I
have a leopard, black and white, with frill on top of my ass back and it cut out and it's sexy. What is wrong with that statement?
But she could have leopard back and she ass cut out with frills.
Yeah, you don't pick up what's wrong with that statement.
How can I think wrong with it? Because how you could have leopard with frills
no.
out of your back?
She said leopard that is black and white. A leopard print cannot be black and white.
Oh, leopard print, black and white?
Yeah.
That is not leopard.
Yeah, but probably the design she referred to, you know, in terms of the same design as a
black
leopard.
And white leopard, yeah.
Yeah, but if it's a leopard print is just leopard print, the standard colors and things. But I think what she's saying is that the black and white design is like a leopard print.
A leopard, yeah, maybe.
The pattern, right? I think that's what she see. It's mango or something. But you see, once you talk to somebody like me, I'm seeing it, you know, right?
You pick up things
yes, man,
fast,
me I see it, man. Me I see it and thing and whatever.
Yeah, so me don't get no jukins. Me don't do nothing. I plan to go eat some lobster and, you know, I don't even do that. Like, me head, I tell you, my head like was, oh, God. That's the worst body I ever spent.
Okay.
I don't know.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry that you missed it. Then you have to go make up for it in some way, somehow.
Yeah, me got no want water.
Yeah, what?
Me got no want water.
you got no want water, yeah. Garden dry right I know, don't you look on.
If it
Garden want look wet up here now, man.
Don't
worry yourself, man. Auntie. What for
I'm 100% Leo. You don't see I'm Leo, Jimmy Q is Leo, Christina is Leo, we just Leo the whole August.
Anybody, we don't need to hear that.
You don't need to hear it, but you will hear it.
Wait there. Jimmy Q and Leo too? Jimmy Q and Leo too?
Of course, Jimmy Q, but there was either the third or the fourth.
What? Jimmy Q birthday was the third
or the
fourth. That kind of things me I deal with right, you know, man. Jimmy and Leo.
On that stuff. Yeah, Jimmy and Leo. Ask him. Jimmy birthday gone the third. Either the third or the fourth. One of them days, that's Christina. She know everything. She doesn't miss out nothing.
Yeah, Christina. Yeah, and you know she brainwashed Jimmy, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, then brainwashed Jimmy. I made Jimmy make clash song against me when we did a beat.
I remember that. You know, you take the bait as a Leo.
Yeah.
But you see, is his sister Christina. She a Leo, so you never.
No, I careless, him careless. It's careless, him careless. You don't know how they catch Jimmy.
No.
Then go supermarket and buy the bull of them with 6 come in a pack and that then get Jimmy.
Oh Lord. And you know you like to make bulla, yeah? Bulla he does
Jimmy
make. He does make
sell
something.
out for 6 bulla. And I don't even the crunchy want them to come off with flake or whatever.
What is the bulla, the brown thing in the plastic?
Yeah, the bulla are the brown. So, oh, you don't know what? Oh, you come from the Eastern Caribbean. Bulla, I give something for you over there. So you go.
Yeah, don't want to tell you when they talk about bulla.
Yeah. Now in Jamaica, bulla not have nothing to do with gay. Bulla is a white name there, you know.
Hey, you go in the Caribbean and say I want a bulla.
No,
you go to Grenada.
when I go to Grenada, I say, boy, I'm a feel
Yeah, you can't go to Grenada and say you want a bulla. You go see
you know, when I go over there, if I go over, I go to Grenada, I go then I crowd, I go say, John, I'm a feel for a bulla right now. You go see a man come up and be like, say no more, come here.
Let me tell you, you can't go to Grenada and say you want a bulla below.
Yeah, when I say, just cool.
You got to be careful.
That's how we there, you know.
Careful.
You do your thing over there, so I have someone who
yeah, you do it. Yeah,
when I don't against you, but I know that I speed over here. Yes, what I say?
Exactly.
Right.
Exactly. But by the end of the day, the bulla is the brown thing. I think I had it, but I never like it. You have some.
It's a brown. It's a brown dough thing, sweet like, and it's round and.
Yeah, you have a sweet like, and it's full of yeast. It was yeast or baking powder. One of them,
not really full of yeast like bread, you know. No.
I know, but I think the one that I got, I think they put too much of baking powder in it. So I think it really sort of turn off my taste buds.
Bulla not really have baking powder. It's like bulla not really have yeast.
I didn't like.
You know, no, well, but bulla is just like it's kind of a sweet taste. You know, that's what it is. It's supposed
to. I never like it. It look tough, even in the plastic. I like it.
It have a hardness to it, you know. Bulla supposed to have a hardness to it, you know. But in Jamaica, the big thing, in Jamaica, the big thing for bulla is bulla and pear. Avocado.
Yeah, here you guys talk about bulla and pear.
Yeah, then after that,
that is what I wanted to try it with.
Is bulla and butter and bulla and cheese. Or just bulla by itself.
And I said, I always say you guys talk about bulla and pear. So yeah, see it now when I think, and when I reach home with it, I didn't like it.
Bulla and pear are our thing, man. We love that in Jamaica, bulla and pear, you know.
Yeah, I didn't like it. We eat bread and pear, like, you know, homemade bread and pear, or maybe the bread in the shop. Or the bakery bread, you know, like that.
Veronique sounds so like you talk about rocky. The thing when you talk about it never ruggy at the top. It never.
No, the brown.
It's smooth, right?
It's called bulla, and it's a bulla in the bag.
Yeah, from it's a bulla in a bag, a bulla, yeah. But you have different bulla, you know? And the real nice bulla, it have a kind of crunchy, like the top kind of flaky like and thing and whatever.
You know,
them that nice. They might make some bulla now, some safi bulla where some thick safi bulla now. I like them bulla.
So maybe that is the one because it wasn't that hard, but you have this. I think they put baking powder in it. You could taste the baking powder.
You know,
because everybody have different names.
Yeah, that bulla there don't make it.
No, that don't taste good.
That bulla there don't make it. The bulla don't make it.
Yeah, don't make it.
The bulla they coming like the bulla with the ANC woman they make. It don't taste good.
Yes, you could taste baking powder, lady, in something. Like when they overpour this up.
Exactly.
The thing you could taste baking powder in stuff.
Yeah, Christina make the bulla there. The bulla there not taste
yeah,
good.
like Christina kind of bulla.
Yeah, Christina bulla.
Delmarine
bulla there. And Tasha bulla.
And Naki B and them there.
You want a bulla where Mango make, where Sham make, and you know,
exactly. Well, not me. I can make,
you know. Yeah, you want one of the ANC bulla them and think.
Them kind of bulla.
So here we are going. We are going to get a nice ANC bulla where it's going to be a pleasure to your mouth.
Yeah. you know when you come into those things, I have to think before I answer. I don't understand with you know. Oh.
No, why would you have to think about that if you say it's a pleasure to your mouth? I mean, I can't imagine what you'd have to think about.
So you want to give me one of those hard ones with the crunch?
Yes, man. Cause that one that was suckling in your mouth, nice and easy.
Yeah, it goes suckling in my mouth. Because since you had the crunch and the little hardness, you have to suck on it to kind of melt it down.
Yeah, because that is the thing with bulla now. You just suck out the sweetness out of it.
You have to suck out the sweetness. Okay.
Say, now repeat after me. Say, So, I like you, you know, cause you sound like, you know, I like with you. Cause you see me
Wow.
a boy, I love keep up friggery, you know, and you sound like somebody like if me I give you little instructions and say this and that, you're ready.
Yeah,
You're gonna be like, let's play.
of course.
Yeah.
Playing in.
Yeah. So tell
Come here,
spirit.
Sonia.
Yeah, exactly. You
Do
like
it. Do
you
it.
like
Yeah.
that if a man like just take care and say,
Come,
come here.
come.
And say, do this.
Come here, girl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And them something there.
Ben so, tweet things so, think so. Yeah.
All right. You see one woman over here in our chat, she named Spiritually Blessed. She not like take instruction. She don't know them sitting there. Yeah, spiritually blessed. She don't know. She don't know how to do this and that and change up this and that and play and ramp. You know, she don't know how to ramp and all and sitting there, you know.
I hear that. So everything good, Raga?
Everything balance up, you know, my friend. There, man. See? All right.
Wonderful.
Yeah,
wonderful.
man. Big up yourself, you know. Love and blessing, see?
Normal.
Proper.
Normal. Blessing all TamFam.
Long time.
Night.
Ooh.
Switch.
All right, watch your right. Watch your right. Oh, the show if you don't know, you know. Okay, so let's see what I'm going. All right. Now go down the line.
Blessed Nelda.
Greetings.
Everything cool?
Yeah, man, everything balanced, man. Yeah, I say.
All right, yeah, my wife just there. We're there in St. Lucia celebrate 11-year anniversary. So we can't
Jesus, man. Big up on yourself, man. Big up on yourself. All right, big up on yourself. 11 years anniversary. Proper. Nice. Yeah.
And nothing now take back.
And nothing.
Can't take it back.
You can't take it back. Take back that seal of lock and seal, right? See it? Well, go on. Talk up.
Yeah, so we have to tune into the show. No matter which part we have to tune
We
in.
still are tuning in on St. Lucia. Well, St. Lucia nice?
Yeah. If it nice.
On the hotel one of that nice?
No, with their Airbnb.
On that one Airbnb. Okay, Airbnb and thing.
So them
Dip on my bucket list, you know. St. Lucia.
come to the south. The south part.
What at the south? I don't understand the nice part?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
south. I must remember.
So what I did not know is they have two airports. There's one up close to Castries and then there's one in the south.
North and south.
So we flew into the one in the south.
Yeah.
And the area that we're staying in is in Soufriere or Choiseul. Very what do you call it? Luscious greenery, forest kind of vibes. Every now and then you get some little sprinkles of rain showers, very light, the sun, the water, the mountains.
Yeah.
Everything is just nice. I mean, they got breadfruit and mango tree down here galore.
That's one dog. Even Julie Mango down here has one dog.
Whoa, okay.
It's amazing. All the plum them on the ground, the coconut them. I said, what's going on? They got enough people to eat these things.
Nice. Everybody else says St. Lucia is beautiful, see? And thing, you know, them Eastern Caribbean people, them Kay and Sonia, you know, Kay is from Montserrat, Sonia is from Grenada, so them know St. Lucia. They on my bucket list, man. I go there, man. I drop over them, man, and thing, you know.
You
One
have
of them
to.
sandals over there too, though. Sandals on there, St. Lucia.
I
don't
think
know.
they are, but we didn't do a resort
Right.
because we wanted the local feel.
Okay.
Yeah, really wanted the local feel, local food, you know, have a little rental that we juggling around in. So, and the people are very, very accommodating, very nice. I mean, tonight we was looking something to eat and we stopped on the roadside, asked these people. And before we could say, one of the guys them jump in the back of the car, pull the door and jump in and say, come, I'll carry up the road there. And I said, oh my God.
But him jump in at the car?
Jump in.
Man, I wouldn't be too comfortable with that, though. But me understand where you're saying. Wanna feel the energy and him cool,
Yeah.
right? Okay, all
Yeah.
right.
And it was a group of men and women there.
Yeah, because as soon as we
Okay.
reach the place, the man say, yo, I'm bring some customer for you. And then him gone.
And then him just go away.
Him gone.
Walk away. A little you. So we're having a good time, but we're still tuning, we got a little
Give thanks,
mobile
man.
thing.
Seeing, yeah, I hear where I go.
Wi-Fi. Here, bear me.
I hear where they are going with the antics as usual, no?
Yeah, man. The only thing is we don't deal with draws over here,
We
We
don't
have
wanna deal
cut
with.
off draws, rip off draws, nothing at all.
Well, let me ask you, boss. Bossy.
Yes, sir.
Bossy.
Yes, sir.
You never tear up, but okay, let me. Have you, on no occasion, have you vigorously removed her underwear? Your
No,
lady.
she know. She need to meet me in her birthday soon. She know.
You know what? No hindrances. Just come here.
No hindrance, no extra step.
All right then. Sound good. But like the energy, see, just pleasant to yourself and obviously love each other and take care of each other and all. I like that something there, Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. 11 years. Congratulations on behalf of the TamFamers and from myself. Congratulations. I just continue to grow from strength to strength and thing. And after 11 years, I already go through ups and some downs and things and they are go through, and as some of the older people they may say, pass the 7-year thing. You know what them say about the 7-year, Them say if you pass 7 years, you can go the distance, everything good. So you pass
It was rough.
Yeah, it was rough. And see there, give thanks, so just hold on for each other same way and love each other same way and take care of each other same way, all right?
Yeah, it's only 70 years. You were saying earlier we got 70, maybe 80 years. So
Yeah, give thanks, man. Blessings here.
Blessings, all right.
Yeah, man. Enjoy on yourself, man. Yeah, man. And if anything spectacular or whatever happen, try tell about it when you come back. Or
of course, we have a whole week here.
All right, then. Blessings, man. Cool.
Blessings.
Yeah, man. Watch it right. Well, then, take it back, mix up or any other mix up. If somebody give you something and take it back and take. But Ilian did at the top. Ilian was next. How was Ilian gone? Ilian was next. But she disappeared, I don't know. Must have gone in a bathroom or she gone use pink flying, I don't know. I'm going on the line, but Ilian was. But one night she come up back there now, may I see something wrong or. Oh, she's there. Oh, me did not make. Must have me I eat that. Did not make the line.
Nah, no close, Raga.
Manti Fillion.
When long me not use pink flight.
Yeah, you tell her what they said, probably like a good one. A long time now.
Yeah, me just a go and wait. Raga, me come to ask you this, you see?
Mm-hmm.
If a lady and anybody, whether man or woman, talk for 6-5 months, you don't know each other, you just talk over the phone or on the app or whatever, and you finally meet now, and you grind. Nothing wrong with that?
Nothing wrong with that.
Oh, because you not done talk for over 6 or 5 months.
Exactly. Particularly in this day and age where, and I like back in the days, there is so much more richness to communicate, electronic communication now that it allows you to know, videos and all kind of thing and text and them something there. It allows you to know the person a lot more. But some people will argue that, but at the first time you meet, no, that no count. Because the first time you meet is not that you just know the person. You cannot talk to somebody for 4, 5, 6 months and really, really, really know the person. And have a bond and a connection and them thing there, whatever. So nothing wrong with that if you don't meet and seal it up right away.
Right, that's so.
Yeah, we don't know each other. Long time now. Almost half a year we don't know each other and thing, you know.
Yeah. Only things I don't never meet before.
Because then somebody now would have you believe, say, you and the person attack regularly for 6 months and then when you meet, you seal it up. Somebody will have you, some people have you believe, say, something wrong with that compare to 2 other people who attack for 3 weeks or a month and a meet in person and then do it after 3 weeks or a month. Like, and for say, oh, well, that different because them did I see one another through the month. Foolishness that. Right? Right? If me know you, so long as we up on the phone and talk so long or whatever, and we say, you know, so we need to link up and seal up that thing. You know, no man, you need to come look for me. Me send you a ticket and I come over there or whatever. And then she know what is what, because we are going to do the door. Yes, what I say?
Yeah.
Worse if traveling is involved.
I just want to say happy belated birthday to Sonia.
Okay.
Happy anniversary to the 2 couple just.
One couple is 2 people.
One couple, yeah,
To the couple.
one couple.
To the
Yeah,
2
to the
people.
couple.
Very nice of you to send out some love to them.
Yeah, man. Because we are one family, you know, no matter what, we might disagree more time, but we are family same way.
One TamFam, though. So,
Yes, man.
so the thing set, man, see?
Yeah. And to lobby front now, lobby front.
Yeah.
And you. We only did a go on like on a police Thursday night gone.
What you talk about?
With you and lobby front.
Me, lobby front did I go on with herself and whatever, because she beat it from what day, but well,
go on like on a police when Zion train up in the back. So what to Raga?
what you mean with what you mean police? Explain yourself, auntie.
Go on like on a police, especially lobby front, ask the man if he like tickers or fishbone. She never really said fishbone in general, but you know, slimmers, you know?
Right. But you are not, but you slim and she slim, so I'm not get it.
No, but he might ask the man if the man like tickers or fishbone.
Well, millionaire tickers, yeah, millionaire tickers.
Yes.
So what wrong with that if she asks? She want to know so that she can have an idea of who he might like, if he might like a millionaire more than you.
Like me don't know which one my art they already, Raga.
We not talk about where you're at there. We don't know where you're at there. We are asked where the woman did ask for Zion train and go like, you're bright enough about she like she a police detective and Ray. If she want to know what Zion train, she did say Zion train. Me could know choose. What you think there? You understand?
But the man don't choose from dear one. But me with my enough self saying look good. I mean not take it back because me did come on and me don't say me don't sing the song already say. Why song go again, Raga? Oh shoot.
So you sing song forget Zion train and not get him and millionaire Greenland never sing nothing and she get him.
No,
right?
Me don't say it's a pity you done. It's a pity you already have a wife.
Yeah.
And me don't have a man in my life. You see the difference? It's a pity. Right? Me never sing say the song go again. Me never sing that song you say nobody nothing know say me and you a touch, nobody nothing know say me I give it up. Me never sing that song the Raga.
Yeah, but you did a sing one different song though. I'll drink a rum cream for you because I want you to be my boo. I want you to sing your tool in me and make me say hoo hoo hoo. Eh? And then you sing we drink rum cream for him man same way. But crush ice and rum cream. Then you sing crush ice and rum
Nothing like
cream.
that.
Eh?
Nothing like that.
Yeah, and you are saying,
Nothing
yeah.
like that.
And then I go on
So
like say,
your lobby front can just kill out and go away.
no, I love it front if you beat her, she a beat you from what day, me nah beat you, or she a beat you, she, you know, she depend on your case and what day.
Lobby front all right, me not look pan she.
And you know, she a batter you from what day, batter you from what day, yeah.
You deal with me rough, Mr.
Yeah.
Raga. A piece of heat that Jamaica. Me no know when we are going to get over that heat there.
You know, somebody did over Florida yesterday, coming over for my wedding. And the heat down in Florida. When me tell you know that heat they will burn your back when it knock you, you feel it a burn your back. So me did that thing to myself, say, yo, if the heat are going so bad down here in Florida, I wonder what it are going with that Jamaica, you know.
It really hot, Raga. It hot. Hot. Right now, me in the living room, me have to turn off the fan because me don't want it sound. You know? And right now, me have to have me little shirt, a fan.
Oh, seeing. Alien, you ever do them sun at sort out in them heat, yeah? Talk it true.
No, me can't manage it. Me do it in a rain. Memories, Rain a fall. Yes! Rain a fall, Raga. And you know, a zinc house top. You know, not here so. And the man play a zinc house top.
Yeah, well.
And me just bust up, man, and go out in the rain. And sort out in the rain.
No, but then how that go? Oh, you do? What, you did hold a tree or something, or what? Lean up on wall or something, or you just like bend, get it straight
Lean up.
Pan one wall.
Yes.
Okay, so you just bend over and hold the wall down. That's something there.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Because I see you are the straight foot backers. You can't manage straight foot backers, you can't manage them something there. Them something they want man.
No.
You and Kay, you can't manage straight foot backers. Like just stand up straight foot and deal with that something there. You can't manage that thing. So out in the rain, I wanna go on with anything out in the rain.
Yes, man, in the rain.
Go see one down. Just wet up so down.
Rain.
Yeah.
Big shower rain.
Yeah. That's something there.
No.
Nothing don't.
Nice.
No man, but son had sort out. Well, you have to kind of focus with the sun had sort out in a Jamaica. Worse if you have zinc outside.
Me not do no hungry sort out neither.
You never do hungry belly sort out yet?
No, my belly have to full.
Elaine, you never sort out for hungry belly yet?
No, me not depend that. When me hungry, me cross.
Elaine, you never do that hungry belly sort out the way you and it make your head feel light like you float when you do hungry belly sort.
So when me hungry, me cross, Raga. You can't tell me about it. The lady I tell her say she not even wear certain panty and no man no buy her panty. No man never buy me no panty. Me love buy my own panty.
You don't live no life if a man never buy on a panty. You
don't
live no life and thing and whatever. On a life missing something big and great and whatever, right? You need for have the experience where a man buy lingerie and say, this me want you for wear so and so, well, let's put on this tomorrow and them thing there, I can't believe so what you mean, the man never buy panty or lingerie gear yet.
No, Raga.
Not even quarter dozen from down a curry.
Nothing like that. I remember say, I miss Beba if you tell us me have lingerie because I think I just want a little nighty.
So when you say you have lingerie, I don't know you have lingerie. Yo, Alien, you kill me, man. You have lingerie, I don't know you have lingerie and thing like that, You need for up your
And
lingerie game though, you know, and make
yeah,
make it
tell
make a
you.
man buy you some
Because I'm
lingerie.
mostly PJ me have.
No, PJ is alright, you know. But I'm saying feel like little spicy sitting and whatever lingerie. Men, Ilian, man love lingerie. Jamaican men love lingerie. Right? Jamaican men love lingerie. We fit you. With the right color we fit you. You can have some woman them pick your wrong color. Hey, by the way, ladies, let me tell you something sidebar. You see, if you're not there with a man for about, say, 3 months already, after 3 months, you know, we think, I don't in a pajama, we still want. But you see, the first 3 months, ladies, let me tell you a secret. And when I say it, men, if I true me attack, right true. If nothing no go so, right false. Again, me I go say something right you know. And men, if I true me attack, right true. And if nothing no go so, right false. Ladies, would you believe one of the biggest turn off for we is when we come with mismatch color when on a lingerie. We don't like it, you know. Man talk about it, you know. We don't like when like your brassiere green and your underwear red. We don't like it. Men respond and tell me, I'm not right. If I true me, I tell her I lie. We don't like it. It's a big deal for we. It's a big deal for we when we just start talk to and a link with it. Watch it. True. Jackson say true. Thomas say true. Cocodan say true. Tugs. Sir Jojo true. You see what me I talk about? You see what me I talk
So
about?
Raga,
Sade say,
when
whoa, I didn't know
ladies
that NBA, with the NBA center true. Don't ask me why. It's a big deal for we. After we're there with you, you know, we are do thing from Killer Miller say it don't matter. Well, Killer Miller him no count because him no writing. Tony P say it not really bother me, so him cool. All right, Tony P say it not bad. But you see most of them, all right, better than, but, right? And again, you know, don't believe, so like, we're going to stop like, you know. If we like, you know, we like it. We just I say, when vibes are built, and we want, you know, me don't know what it is. When I talk to my brethren them over the years, the man them say, see the Richard Eslap say a real talk. The man them say, yo, dog, once you get to know a woman and, you know, you get in with her and see the Empress Hosey say it's weird. Me don't know what it is, ladies, but for that first 3 months, they don't mismatch no color with me. If a lingerie, if ordinarily you have your brassiere with one color, your underwear with another color, we don't care. Worse if it's a nice, sexy underwear, we don't care. But if it's lingerie, again, just this way I say, if it's specifically lingerie, worse if I want special thing, and you have 2 different colors, sometimes I have 3 different colors. When I like them something, then we like it much. After 3 months, you can make it still match and nice, but we don't really care because, you know, we're in with you now. So, yeah, we don't love you down already and all these things. But I don't know how I like the first 3 months when we are getting and we are get to know all the first 2 months. Worse if all the first 2, 3 starts. I'm coming a mismatch thing, man. Yellow bra and green panty and then sitting there and then black over white and thing. It's like a disorganization and a lack of coordination, a lack of cohesion, you know? There's no continuity there. There's something disjointed. There's something fragmented. You understand? You know, at that time, you know, subliminal stuff is very important, you know? So
Raga,
when
when ladies are wear lingerie, brassiere go with lingerie, or is just like the lingerie and the panty?
I think you have a little misunderstanding about lingerie. But the brassiere and the panty is lingerie. Can be lingerie.
Oh, I think lingerie is the little dress thing or the little blouse thing, and then the panty.
No.
Oh,
Lingerie is all right. Listen now, right? Lingerie. A woman can just have on underwear and that is lingerie. She can have a bra and a underwear and that is lingerie. She can have a bra, a underwear, and something sheer over it, and that is lingerie. She can have a stocking with garters where come up over her underwear and thing and just bra, and that is lingerie. She can have on bra, she can have on underwear and just have on like a long sheer or something, and that is lingerie.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
And that is lingerie. So lingerie is the type of material. Right? That is what make it a lingerie. It's a type of material. So it's usually sheer or sexy or sheer or lace type of thing. Those are the popular things. But then it's the type and the styling that makes it a lingerie as opposed to just regular panty. Right? So you understand now?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you have different type of lingerie. Right. You have lingerie just all one long, something go right down, you know, man.
Yeah.
You have lingerie with a cat suit. Right? You'd have feel like, you know, a catwoman. You have catwoman lingerie, you know. And when you have on that, you have your little whip and all them something, then you have to make a sound, right? Let me hear you go. Let me hear you go.
Yeah.
Oh, Elaine, you kill me, man.
That's unreal.
I mean, you have to make it more nasal. You have to put some more nose thing in it, you know.
Oh.
So go.
Meow.
Yeah.
Whatever.
That sounds like a teenage cat. Oh.
Yeah, this is a young cat.
Yeah, a young cat or whatever. But all right, since you can't manage it, go like, you know, a cat in your ears and whatever. Make a sound there. You make all a sound there in a man's ears. You know, do that one. No, man, that sound like dog. We're ignorant.
You're killing me. Raga.
Well, Jackson said you sound like a hungry dog.
That's why me I tell us that me can't make hungry. No find hungry belly,
You
man.
can't
Then
have
you have
hungry
to
belly.
pull.
My God.
Defend that.
You see, no hungry
Me
belly
gonna
salt.
defend that. No,
Boy,
me
me not
love.
like Elaine. Me do quite a few hungry belly. Quite a few hungry belly sort out back in the day. Back in the
Me
day,
hungry,
me
mad.
I'll feed girl and make sure me just have enough to feed her and thing. And yeah, and then me work with the hungry belly. What you mean?
Well, man, we more if we do that, but me mad when me hungry. Mad.
Me can't believe you never struggle through a hungry belly sort out.
No. Me mad, me say when me hungry.
You know, it's enough woman do that though, you know, just from ghetto life, you know, and I like say them choose it, you know, it's just like nothing I run and the man want to look front and that man and them boss him see me, but them they don't hungry, that's what me I say.
No, sir, even like a bull and milk. Bull and milk, bad in a raga.
Bull and milk, no.
What?
Yeah.
Or even one bulla and little sugar and water then.
Bull and sugar and water was like a lunch, what you talk about?
My belly have a full raga in a real life.
But Elaine, it's when you do hungry belly sort out. Alright, you see, even though you're hungry and have food, when you sort out, it have the effect as if you're dehydrated.
Okay.
Yeah, so you find, say your head get light and you have to kind of, you know.
And what if me go drop down under the sort out?
The woman drop down under sort out in general anyway when good body reach them. I want me to you.
Me not talk that way there, Raga.
You mean from the hungry belly
like
thing?
when you that hungry Like how you're not hungry in a real life and then you
I go
drop
drop
down.
down.
Yes. What if you get the sort out and you drop down?
All right. You see, if it's a serious drop down, then you stop. But you see, if it's just like, you know, I look at hungry belly drop down. Me know why you feel that way, alien, you know. Senan still have to go on, you know, right? So you may did. You may did a week out, you know, but you see, if it's just a hungry belly week out and thing, the thing still a send up in your man. I want me to you, no stopping right, you know. So them time they find, say, you may dip on like a. That time gas I take. When I know, in them condition, and the woman them not enjoy it, you know, them just a hold it through, you know, like, can't don't know, man, Jesus Christ, my hungry. Yeah.
Wicked to ourselves.
What you mean wicked to ourselves? Another man wicked for still a do it. Don't I know such hungry. But alien back in them days, they in a ghetto, you know, woman no ram for say, no. You're not gonna push that in me, I'm hungry. You man, you have to feed me first.
Sir.
You have to feed me first.
Belly have to full.
Yeah, man, woman will tell you that,
Like
man.
one bulla.
Yeah, woman will tell you that back in the day, man. Say,
Belly have to full, man.
yeah, you have to give me some food and thing, you know.
One mango talk about the Julie mango raga. You see when the Julie mango ripe and like your man me a talk about him eat the mango there. You see?
Yeah.
Cut the two side and him eat the mango and then you know.
Wait, Julia East Indian. You say cut the two side.
East Indian.
East Indian, you mean, man?
Yes, man.
Because you say cut the two side. You know, say East Indian and some beefy and number level. But East Indian, it's just a standard thing for cut the two side, you know. But yes, so what you say about that now? Yeah.
And you see, when you eat the mango and finish the mango and rally back all upon the skin, the way the mango nice.
Yeah. What you mean rally back?
Remember say you eat the two side already now you
so
put
what
on
you
the
do?
skin.
You put on the skin?
Just put on the skin one side for you dash it away.
Right.
You know?
Right.
And the way the mango nice, you take out back the skin.
Alien, what you just say?
Yeah.
Is that look weird and strange, you know?
You know, weird ass.
Let me tell you why. Most people with East Indian, you have a lot of people eat the skin, but them eat the skin when them eat the side them.
Yes.
Me never hear about nobody eat out the mango out of the skin.
Put
on the skin.
Put it down.
Put on the skin. You go and then you slap with the seed and everything. And then you go back and eat the skin by itself.
Go back the way nice.
Alien, I don't know about that. And that sound like say you need prayers. Well, and see, Susie Lampkin, I say, yeah, kill her right then, because she don't understand what people, and I want to know about that, something that want to eat out the mango out of the East Indian skin, put the skin one side, go eat half the mango with the seed, half of the seed and whatever, slap with the seed, and then go back, go eat the skin by itself.
Yes, the way nice,
No, alien, everybody eat, anybody who eat the skin when they eat the side.
Maybe you don't understand what me say.
No, me understand what you're saying, you know, so the mango so sweet, you have to just go back and slap with the skin, because you didn't mean for that's for the skin, but through the mango so sweet, you gotta eat the skin, right? Tony Fox says she do that. But let me tell you something now. You see, if you make a point, and you argue for your point, say this is good or whatever, and people are disagree with you,
yeah.
and the one person who come in and agree with you is Tony Fox, that is not a good thing.
It's a good thing.
No, not it.
Because she understand what me say.
No, if you know Tony Fox, you will understand when me I say from Tony Fox not right, you know. Tony Fox is a mad man, you know.
So why you say me mad too?
Then that me I tell you, but just I say you're mad now and Tony
Well,
Fox come agree with it. Then that Tony Fox just confirms you're mad when you eat mango skin by itself when you don't eat the mango.
me no business. The way nice Raga. Trust
Then
me,
if
you
it's
put
nice, you
down
don't
the
eat the skin when you eat the side.
I know, but remember you hurry up, y'all eat the mango. You not you want nobody come catch you and you have to go share the mango. So you hurry up, you eat the meat part. You understand? So
Well,
when you don't eat up that now, you start pan the skin. You clean out the skin. Yeah, you go
Voila,
so.
Rosemary Blake say I agree with Elaine.
Okay.
So you get some more support there.
Them understand what me I say, Raga, because remember East Indian sweet, you know, man.
Then that's why you slap with the skin when you eat it at the same time when you
No,
eat the
you
meat.
not go slap with the skin first. You eat the meat first. Cause you know what? Nobody can catch it and beg your piece of the mango. Then you have to go cut it and give them piece.
Elaine, my suggestion to you is if any eating and go on, yeah, deal with the skin when you deal with the meat here.
No, sir, me I deal with the meat first.
Elaine, Elaine. We don't think if you go deal with the meat first and then you come back and then at that time you just deal with the skin.
It better for me, so.
Elaine,
Elaine,
you're not listening me, you know. You're not listening me, you know.
All right.
You hear what I say?
Yeah.
All right then. Think about it. It makes sense for you go eat the meat and then you go back and deal with the skin, or on your way if you go eat the meat, you deal with the skin same time and then go deal with the meat. Which one makes sense?
All right. You see, me I eat there. Me I eat everything one time.
That one there.
Yeah.
But if I mango now, a different thing.
Different thing.
A meat before skin, though.
Meat before skin.
Yo, that woman here, you think you're easy. All right then, all right, me understand your thing. And that's how you think different, you know. You think different, you know. So it have to go, you have to mix it up and
And
the
you
thing
see, anytime me see you in a real life, Raga, all right, me I go eat one mango. Anytime me get no more mango, me I go eat it and post it and make them see.
Yeah, me have to see you eat it though. Yeah, me have to see how you eat it though, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, and me can make a video I eat it too. Stop. Y'all stop. Wanna stop. Stop. Don't go there. Don't go there. Do not 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 go there. Y'all behave now. All right, Sinalicious, don't even try it. Sonia, don't even try it. Right? Don't go there. Tass, don't go there. Don't go there. Don't go there. K, leave it alone. All right then. Now you see one blessed. Yeah.
What me have to say what Mama Ans was saying.
Yeah.
Me agree with her, you know.
Boa.
With the money thing and the youth and them something there. You have to make them know certain things, especially when a one child you have, you know?
Well, yeah, okay.
Yeah, but you know if you have 2 and 3, you have to know what you do.
Right, because different interests involved. But from a one child, you make that one child and know because she alone and
Certain things, so me support what she say, you know?
See it there.
So them say sisters, you know, so the man them me a saying, hi brothers, good night brothers.
Yeah, because them always come here and talk about sisters, don't. Oh, you mean
sisters.
Alien? I see.
Yeah. Hi brothers.
Shock.
And the brothers them know Me can name out few of the brothers,
You do anything you want to do. It's a free country.
The brothers, a Zion train. You see you, Raga. Oh, yeah, steer so.
All right. You see, these are the things that I tell you, say, put on me, and it's not me do it, whatever, right?
Just to Mr. Zion train first,
Yeah, but why Zion train first? You claim, say, you want Big Beer there, you go call Zion train name first.
Nah, Big Bear is not my brother. Big Bear is not my brother.
Oh, okay, Miss Way, yes.
Big Bear is my man.
Your man. So, okay, just your brother then you big up now. Okay.
Yes, my brother them.
All right, that makes sense. Okay, brothers. Good. All right, go and big up the brother them. So, I'm to Craigton. You know, big up Craigton.
Vietnam man.
All right.
Now start the list. Brothers is Zion Train, Chumpy, Craigton, Juice Media, Dog Bite, Cooker. And why next one, him drive truck to me, always forget him name.
Norval.
No, Narval in it. One next one, man. Not Narval.
Him drive truck too?
Yeah.
Somebody soon put it.
Always forget film name. I don't know why.
Oh, are the truth?
No, he's my brother too, but not him.
Yeah.
Fine, if you call him name, I go say yes.
Nicky say Romain.
Romain!
Yeah, okay, all
why
right.
me always forget film name? Hi, Romain! Hi, brothers!
You know, I never hear Big Beer get them sweet voice there.
You're too liar.
Big.
You're too liar.
No sweet so. When
me I tell you, say, Big Beer asleep now still, me put him to bed. When me tell you,
saying that go in bed, though. Shell out that I snore, you know, go in bed, deal with him properly, though. Yeah.
Ooh, yeah, so nice.
Long time.
When me tell you, say, Raga, set sideways, move from the sun, me give Big Beer all the nice kiss them. I like brothers.
Wait, when you tell who for set side, we are move from?
You, myself, move, shift one side.
Oh, you mean out of the screen?
Yes,
oh, no.
Enough time me do that.
Yeah, but you have to be careful because a while ago you make it sound like the three are in my bed and you tell me for move and set sideways so you can go over to Big Beer. Like whatever.
Remember
Fix up
Big
that.
Big Beer name can't call nice like you that say Zai, a Romain, I just Big Beer.
No, that's an excuse for not call a man name sweet and thing, right? Any name, any man can. Even if him name Arnold Schwarzenegger, when woman love man, they make his name sound sweet.
Yeah, that's it. Arnie. Me can't call Big Beer name sweet. Tell me now what me
you can't say Big Beer. See, it's all about the vowels. It's all about the vowels. Right? So let me hear you say it, sweet man. We are teacher, practice you now. You have to emphasize. Remember beer in a B-E-A-R. So.
I'll cooker. Me can't say cookie. And them something
let me say in a Big Beer name, the beer are the one that you can work. So
what makes me say?
No, you gotta say Big Beer. All right. So just stretch out that part there. Run it now, make me hear it.
Big Bear. That don't sound good. That's
No. That's
not
No, you need an inflection for go up somewhat, but it sound good. It sound good. We heard improvement there. Too bad you not feel it genuinely, feet come out naturally, and you have to put it on right now because your heart really there's Zion train.
Jesus Christ. Raga, stop. That's my brother. Hi, brother.
And Big Bear is your puppy show. Your Colleen say if I call him Big Daddy Bear.
Our Daddy Bear. Yeah, Daddy Bear.
No,
Hi, Daddy Bear.
No, Big Daddy
Hi,
Bear.
Daddy.
Big Daddy Bear. Right.
That no sound good.
No, but then you for make it sound good. No, your people them. Eh? Are your people them? So if you make it sound
Hi,
good.
Daddy Bear.
Alien, before you go,
Mm-hmm.
a man attack to a woman, right? She in a church and she keep on a try get him for come church to or whatever. So, so he said, through him one so and so, him tell her, say, man, go to the church. But him really no want go to church, you know. Right? But he want so and so. So him tell her, say, me go church, man, but me not ready yet, man. So he might give her that for them. Them I go do so and so. And she said, them have to pray first. So him say him did want him thing and whatever, so him say kind of kill him vibe a little bit, but through him did want whatever. So him say she pray them kneel and she pray.
Yeah.
Then them do them thing. And him say she not really skilled like that, but she just have a natural thing and make it nice, you know? But him say the second time and she want pray and him realize now says a thing where she want bless the thing before. What you ever hear anything go so? You ever hear anything go so?
I never hear that yet, Dragon.
Hold on. TamFamers, you ever hear anybody ever start out and pray first before them start out? And Jamaica say yes. Then Marine said that was my uncle, which is why his wife left him. Yo, what you look at much people that say yes? Mishibu say yes, K say yes. Rosemary say yes. I didn't know that people do them something there. I think this was like a one-off thing.
Never hear about that, yes.
Pineapple say yes. Susie Lampkin say yes. Shock Lady Pretty says she hear it before. Mrs. Walker, one wife say yes. Antasha say yes, Sierra and her husband. Are you kidding me? Ilian, you probably don't know about Sierra. These are celebrities up here and her husband.
Okay.
Her husband was a big football player. I think he retired though. But I was raised in a Christian home. I have a firm appreciation for spirituality and God and everything. Don't come tell me about me have to pray before we go start out. That's going to kill my vibes. What you, Antasha said, see, what? So apparently this is a thing. Like people out there do this thing, yeah? Exactly, Naki B. Naki B said, can you imagine you're hot and eat it, but you have to go pray first? I don't know. And frankly, with all due respect, people, I don't know about praying, with a hard one in front of me like that. That no sound even too, I mean, no, that no sound, the boy stand up and thing and whatever. Right? Me and Neil and him up. No, Ilian, I don't know about that. No, every reader say I kill vibes that. Me don't know about that. If me and talk with a woman and she go there so with me, I can understand if you really want it and you just do anything to make sure say you get it and thing. But for that to be like, this is how we do a thing. Like, Lord, bless us as we embark on another so and so. So what's up with spontaneity?
Me feel say better not pray when you not finish and just cuddle up and go sleep.
It's a prayer when you're done. You know, yeah, you say, thank you, Jesus. I one that did bad.
Yeah.
Why you
And
provide?
you
Yeah.
couple up and go on a
Man,
bed.
I bet and thing and whatever. Yeah. But I didn't know that people, I thought this was like a look a weird thing and whatever. And these people are saying that you have people who do this thing and whatever. And I couldn't manage that. I couldn't manage that.
People overdo things.
I
Them
couldn't
gone
manage.
overboard.
All right. I mean, no, God no require that. So that is by choice, personal choice, which people are entitled to or whatever. But, you know, God now going to tell nobody, say, oh, you can't come in heaven. You never pray before you do it.
Me I give you one message. She give lobby front. Just tell her if you just leave me and my man alone.
Okay. Lobby front.
Anybody?
In Maryland, lobby front down there in Maryland, Jamaica. You know, you and your bullfrog friend them. Matches to you. Send on the matches again, the alien. Send on the matches.
Just leave me. I'm a man. And even if me want to sing and run for rum cream for your next man, that is not her business. She need to cover up her front when she are going to lobby.
All right, yeah, put her in her. You know, say, let me take back something, right, and qualify it. Elaine, there have been occasions when I was younger. And you know, yeah, as we say in Jamaica, you go with a champion, right? There have been occasions where I beg God, you know, give me the strength and guidance right before I go deal with the matter, you know. And you know, sometimes you have, you know, some rig out there, you know, whatever, you know. Yeah, and I do remember on occasion back in the day where I say, yo.
But you not kneel and pray.
No, I know that's something there. In your mind, just a person.
Yeah.
I know me and her write a prayer, the 2-hour prayer, well and pray before we do it. No. But you know, you're young and back people, when you grow up in a Christian home, well, even for people who steer deep in them Christianity, them call upon God for everything, you know. Everything, like, you know, everything. You know, people that drive out, them pray and call upon God. But you have people who you have people out there, man, as soon as trouble reach them, man, I got them attack to right away. Them attack to God right away. Oh, God, as soon as trouble reach them, look at shot of fire, God. The Kiara swerve, God. You know, the bus wobble, God. You have people when them in a plane, as soon as them get look at turbulence in a plane, them a call upon God or whatever. So you have people like that who call upon God all the time because that's how they were raised. And I was raised like that. You know, to call on God every time. So it wasn't even a distance. So as long as you're in trouble, most Jamaican, as soon as trouble and stress reach them, when they not go to church and now worship God, the first thing they want to happen is God. As soon as look at stress reach them and trouble, right? Right? So, so when you're younger, you know, you go upon a commission and you see all a look a sign what kind of intimidating because you're young in a game. You call upon God and beg God look a guidance and for trad with you, you know? And give you a little perspective and thing and whatever. All right. You never under treatment yet and I beg God for make you hold it and thing and whatever and for keep up and for guide. And I make like that never reach you yet.
I beg God for making you stop now.
Exactly. Call upon God, you know.
Yeah.
But
people call upon God anyway. But if kneel down for prayer before start out, me never hear of that yet.
Me never hear about it, but apparently alien, we need to take our verbal expression phones, you know. For phone, you know. That bad. Your verbal expression say, yeah, man, if you call upon God and pray and you're going in and you're coming out.
And you're coming out. Yes, we always hear that. Always hear that.
That bad.
That bad.
That
That one
bad,
the
yeah.
bad.
Verbal
Bad,
expression,
bad,
that one the
bad.
bad, that one the, yeah. That one the up there,
Bad.
that one the up there. Yeah, man,
Achoo.
pray to God
Achoo,
if you're
man.
going in and you're coming out. Yeah.
Achoo. Achoo.
You
That
know,
bad.
that bad, that one the bad. Verbal expression, that one the taking night. That one the
Yes.
taking night. That one the taking night. That one the taking night. That one the cost be a bad one.
Achoo, man.
Yeah, for real. Anyway, Ilian, big up yourself, you know.
Yeah, man. Bye, brothers.
Here we are. Here we are.
Nah, stop loving man them.
Yeah, all right, Ilian. Don't stop loving the man them here. That's your thing there. All right.
Right, this so.
Mad. All right, boo-boo. Blessings, man. Cool.
Cool.
Every night I come here and say, I go to 3 hours and done. God, we are past 3 hours, you know. Hello? Hello? Peace and love. You didn't mean for come up? Gone. Gone with the winners, the big movies. So people may have to Lego right. You see, I want to full up the box and thing and whatever, but I have to Lego here. Oh, well, on. I have to Lego. I have to Lego here. People not feel no. What a long listen here. Tony watch a big up and thing. Philip Carlado. 11:45 badness Raga. I the truth where you there, you're there on different state. And people do remember Thursday show. Thursday show is over Big Yard, so make sure so on register tamfambigyard.com. Thursday evening show is over Big Yard, tamfambigyard.com, tamfambigyard.com, tamfambigyard.com. Raga, I go start prayer that not happen, not pray. I don't even pray. See? All right. Make sure so on register over Big Yard. tamfambigyard.com, tamfambigyard.com, tamfambigyard.com. Register over there. Just your email and a password and free account over there and you're good. Okay? That's where we're having the show on Thursday. All right? All right. Blessings and respect, man. Take care of yourself, see? And I'm Maros. I don't care about fast and pray. I ain't no fasting and before nothing. You understand? I ain't no fasting. Right? Fasting and them things they don't agree with me. Fasting, you're hungry. But when people are fast, them not really hungry. Them feel a little hunger, but them not hungry. Because it's a mind thing, though. Fasting. All right. Bless upon yourself, man. See you tomorrow, 7 o'clock, right? Yes, the same place. All right. Tomorrow, 7 o'clock, we're there, sir. All right. Spiritually blessed. Zodi. Michelle, good night. Marsha Goodas, good night. Shade, good night. Shade, spell S-A-D-E. Antasha, good night. Densia. Yeah, all who not follow me now. If you over here, you not follow me on TikTok, follow me now. If you over YouTube and you not subscribe yet, subscribe, all right? Tash, large up yourself. And more, good night. One Shani, Mishibu, good night. Blessed, good night. Mrs. Walker, one wife, good night. Gemini girl, yeah. Jackson, big up yourself, you know, my G. Cool. Carlene, pretty one, queen. Boom. Sinalicious. Sinalicious. What licious are doing in your name? You are going like a delicious. Right? You see now you are going like a delicious. You need to take that licious there for your name. Right? If you're not delicious, you don't have to have that licious there for your name. So see now you're delicious. See now, are you delicious? Yeah. Good night, Rosie. Honey chun chun. But see, I am too bad. I'm off the market, so you can't taste me. Me tell you someone want to taste you. Me tell you someone want me taste anything. Man, a taster. Okay, not even wine me taste. Oh, Shanice, Pinnock, behave yourself. Yeah. Pretty one queen. You're gonna leave Sinner alone. But man, tell her I say she not delicious, so she what she have delicious in her name for. Eh? Eh? I'm a pretty one queen. Watch ya. I watch ya. I want you do. I defend sinner. Tell them you're spiritually blessed. Raga is a reader, not a taster. Good night, then see ya. If I saw you, me pronouncing you. Sinner, well, Sinner say, I am very delicious, so I've been told. Bra, make them know you're Sinner. What a some boy. I want a dirty Raga know about you, Sinner. I use a scrumptious, no? Yeah. Why, Sinner, big up yourself. Not even catch up your thing need and whatever. It ready, so, no? You don't need nothing. No extra season or nothing. Proper. People, you have one place, you see. Like, initially, me didn't think I just white people food. But after a while, me not lie, you know, me used to date this girl and she bossed me upon it and me did that, me did eat them food all the while. It named Boston Market. Them closed down. Like the whole Boston Market chain closed down. Me love how them do them chicken. Them do that something there with them chicken. People, Boston Market closed down. Oh God. Say Cecile say yeah. Rotisserie, yeah, them do that. That's something there. And yeah, one of them things, they were like, no, I'm going to change with the white people food and whatever. But me like how them do it, and I'm like, them look a gravy, you know, and I like them sides. They did have nice sides. You know, you pick which side you want, corn, and them thing, they have like a flavor, you know, look a seasoning to them thing, you know. And you never season like how we season, but look a seasoning there, you know, compared to other food with them people they cook. Boston Mark. See there, Shanae say I used to love it, you see. Yeah, them say them closed down long time. I see somehow don't like it though. Yeah, them cornbread did nice. Them rinse them food it tastes good. Yeah, she did this girl and she said you're gonna try it, and I'm like, I don't think so. And she said, try it, you're gonna like it. And I'm like, and then we go in there, whatever, I'm taste it and thing. And you know, when you go in there, you can't get your chicken, like them say white or dark, right? And then them have all these sides which taste nice, you know? And you look a gravy and thing, and them look a juice, and Boston Market closed down. So it go, you know. Enough look a store out there, go through them thing, you know. Yeah. Guzo man, same like it, you know, good food, you know. Jano. So it go, you know. When I was there for a time, you know, people. Yeah. And you have to adapt, you know, for surviving at this. You see what I say? And you have to do for cut and go through, you know. Sinalicious. Raga, there's still one open in Brooklyn. Really? Oh. Okay, I guess probably because what happened, we did a drive round and I said 2, and the 2 of them closed. And there was another time, I did say 1. I want to say another one and it closed. Oh, no, this was when I was in Florida, yeah, over the weekend, I say 1 and the one that closed. But seeing I say 1 up on Flatlands, you know, that are Canarsie side people. Seeing I say 1 on Flatlands open. Yes, the flavor is very consistent. You're quite right, Perline. Yeah, them sweet potato too. Nah, man, them food, you know, compared to other people out there, when you don't know what thing again, like, get look a flavor, look a seasoning and things. So, them not season as much as we, but it seasoned just right where like, non-white people can like it. And, you know, a certain amount of white people like it too, you know. Yeah, and it's that rotisserie chicken thing where the chicken dip on the thing and it a turn. So you find say the chicken kind of bake in a certain way. And them did have them unique seasoning, you know, and things. So I don't know. I liked it. I really liked it. I ate there for years. I ate there, you know. All right, people, in Mars, I'm going to edit up that show, you know, for put it up on YouTube tomorrow and things. See? Respect and honor. Blessings. It was a good show today. It was a fun show today. I really like it. Yeah, but they I did some stress and all them thing there. So you see when we can come have the show, we don't have nice time. You know, it's pretty cool. Right? So big thank you to the item. And I'm Mars with juggle again. See it? I don't know how it go down. Man. Yes. Good night, honey chun chun. Bless up yourself. Masha good as a Boston market still there, Georgia, big up. And Tasha, large up yourself. CBS enough tanks, you know, whole heap of tanks. See?